Lang yan, nawala
Happy!
ka.
Nawala ka?
Nawala, sobrang
ka.
ano ng nose gate mo, hayop ka.
Happy!
Sabi mo, hop!
Happy!
New Year.
Year.
New Year.
Oh, what
New
the
Year.
Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New
You
Year.
can see
Yeah.
our dear listeners, hindi po yata happy ang New Year nila.
Happy New
Ano
Year.
gagawin?
Ano guys, sa mga kasama namin tumanda, okay, pa-30 na kami. Pagod na kami, okay.
Pagod na kami, oh.
Damn,
Pagod na
are you
kami.
feeling it now? Age check. Okay, Ken.
I'm 28, bro.
28. Alright, Chris.
Kaka 23 ko lang, gago.
27
Yeah,
na.
bro, sana all.
27. Alright, Neil.
21.
Tang, ina mo.
Putang ina mo. Ina mo. Di, ano nga? Tingin na.
26.
Fuck you.
Sige na.
27 yan, gago, 27.
Ano ba?
Magkasing tanda lang tayo sa kalingga
Sige
eh.
na.
27.
We're getting old, bro.
John.
Pareho lang kami ni Ken. Tama, Ken? Ilan sa'yo?
28 ako. 29
Yeah,
ka,
exactly,
you
bro.
fuck.
Exactly.
Fuck, man, you're getting old.
Damn, these motherfuckers pushing 30, bro. Shit.
Ikaw.
It's pushing
Yeah,
40,
50,
bro.
Ano, kami lahat nagsabi, tas ikaw hindi.
Ikaw hindi. Tangin na seryoso.
I'm pushing 40, bro.
Tangay na, wala na sa kalendaryo si Idol, gago.
Pushing 40, bro. I don't know. I don't know anymore. The moment nag-30 ako, I stopped counting. Bro. I could be
I know, I
35.
would.
I could be 38. I could be like 30. I don't know. Honestly, I feel like 40, bro. Like seeing the old people here like bike every 5 a.m. in the morning makes me older, bro. Kasi
Yeah.
lumalabas ako dito, I feel like dumadagdag yung age ko knowing that I'm a weak ass motherfucker, bro.
Baka kasi
Hindi ka
nagbabike
nagawa.
sila eh. Nagbabike kasi sila, ikaw hindi.
Sama ka na sa kanila.
No,
You always
here's
take the
thing,
bus.
okay? They're biking.
Mm.
Get this, they're biking at like 0 degrees
Putang ina.
Celsius.
Ang
Okay, do you know
lamig.
what that means, bro?
Tangin ng tagal man, hindi ka pa rin nag-acclimate.
Oo nga, ang
Well,
tagal-tagal mo dyan.
nag-acclimate. That's the thing. Okay, nag-acclimate na nga ako. Like in like the natural sense, nakapag-acclimate na ako. You know, at least hindi na ako damage over time pag lumalabas ako. But still cold as fuck.
Kaya mahirap
Okay,
yun,
kasi-
magbike ng ganong kalamig. Tapos yung hangin.
Nangangatog yung ano ko doon siguro.
Like, bro, like I see a white guy in like cycling shorts just doing his groceries, bro. Like,
Ano?
I'm not sure if he's gay or if he's just European or if like the cold just doesn't bother him, bro. Like, I don't know what that even means
Oh,
anymore.
maybe
man.
all of
Like,
the above,
People
man.
here built div. Maybe all of the
What
above.
the
But
fuck?
damn, we are pushing, I mean, you guys are pushing 30s. I'm super excited for you guys and bagong chapter sa buhay nyo. I hope are you guys feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Yeah, bro.
Are you
My
guys
knees are
feeling
dying
it
now,
out?
bro.
No, it's just getting serious, you know? Every time I'll check the
What do you
date.
mean, what do you mean?
Oh shit,
serious?
it's getting serious. Chat, gaganon ka.
If anything, I am proud na you guys survived. Okay. That you guys survived the 20s. The roaring fucking 20s. Kasi I swear to God, once you reach yung 30 na yan, parang may magkiklik na lang dyan. May mag-activate na lang dyan. Okay? Parang si Vec na. Biglang, ano sa,
Ano ba yung activate sa'yo?
I don't know, man. Like, holy shit. Alam mo yung mabigat sa, ano yan? Sa batok?
Gago high blood
Like,
yan.
dati.
High blood ka lang,
High
gago.
blood ka na, boss.
Exactly. No, exactly. It's part of the fucking thing. You know, like, dati hindi ko naman naramdaman yan. Ngayon naramdaman ko. Kasi nahihilo. Puta, pag lumalabas ako sa, di ba wala akong damage over time, pero puta, nahihilo ako dahil sa lamig. And I'm like, fuck. Is this it? Am I gonna die soon? Tapos kumain ako ng Taco Bell the other day. Like, siguro after 1 hour of Taco Bell, dun, bumigat na agad yung ano ko, yung
Batok.
yung bato ko, pati yung likod ng ulo ko.
Oh,
You
damn.
know, I'm like, shit! Fuck! Wala to dati. I could eat like 5 Taco Bells, bro, in one day and not feel anything. And now, damn, bro. Shit. So that's just one thing to ponder, okay? So ako sa inyo, enjoy nyo na yung mga masasayang araw nyo na nasa 20s, okay? Because once you reach 30, hindi ka na makakapag-Taco Bell, okay? I'm saying that, okay? Yun lang. Anyways, welcome to 2026, guys.
Welcome! Welcome ba tayo? Tanong.
Welcome! And
Yay!
sabay-sabay. Fuck you!
Fuck you, 2016!
2025,
Oh,
2025.
talaga.
What? Putang ina, tilig this guy.
2026, sabog na.
Gusto
Sabog
pa
na,
kasi
sabi
tumanda.
sa'yo.
Gusto pa tumanda pre na 10 years old.
Sabog na si Idol sa amin, 2016. Gusto ko
26.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Wala.
Ano yun, Chris? May sinasabi si
May
Chris.
sinabi si Idol,
No,
may sinabi.
bro.
Wala.
Gusto mo umano?
Gusto mo umano?
sumabog?
Gusto ko na mamatay.
Gusto mo umano?
Ayan, bro.
I still couldn't hear that.
Gusto ko na mamatay.
Damn, bro.
Damn, amazing, bro. That's a good ano. Okay, so yun yung New Year's resolution ni Chris. Gusto niya
Gusto
daw
niya mamatay ako.
mag-commit alive, but I think that's normal. Ikaw, what's your New Year's resolution, Ken? What's
Bayaran lahat ng utang ko, then magiging masaya na ako.
Parang narinig ko to last year.
Taka na yung New Year's resolution yan. Old year resolution.
Ganun pa rin, wala, nag-carry over lang, boss.
Walang nagbago. Wag kang magbabago, Ken, ha?
Tama. Gusto ko magbago. Ibal, bro.
Okay, Chris, what is your New Year's resolution for this 2026?
Kung ano lang din yung problema ni Ken.
Damn, bro. He's just like me for real.
Okay, alright. Neil,
Labas.
tinan mo, lalabas
Ay, ako.
to. Tinan mo. Sabi na nga ba eh.
Oh, shit,
You
lumabas
got
ka.
prank, bro.
Walang magbabago. Walang magbabago. Yun.
Walang magbabago.
Huwag ka na magbago
Walang
kay
Walang magbabago.
Huwag ka na magbago, okay? Walang magbabago kay tayo.
magbabago sa pamilyang ito.
Sino ba? Pinalabas ko lang si Chuchi. Kinukulit ako dito eh. Wala.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Wala, di na ako niniwala doon.
Bakit ano ka sa kanya?
Di na ako
Say it like it's like
naniniwala.
a bad thing, bro. What happened, man? May
No,
ginawa ka
no
ba last year
expectations,
na-
pre. No expectations na lang. Yun na lang.
Oh, sige. What's your expectations for 2026?
What?
Man, that's deep, bro.
Damn, that's deep, bro. It's not that deep.
No expectations,
Fucking
guy!
Kaya nga, what's your fucking expectations? Wala ka resolution.
What are you expecting in 2026?
Wala.
Damn.
Meron na mag-expect kasi, parang nabibigo lang kasi pa nag-expect.
Ako na
Parang may hugot kaya.
ako na ako na magmamanifest kay Neil.
Ano?
Ano yun?
Magiging
Manifest?
magiging ama na siya.
Uy!
Manifest?
Oh, shit!
First,
Gets mo, Chris?
Bakit?
Manifest?
Man, shut your bitch ass. Bet that way.
What was that? Ano yun? Fuck, I don't get the context.
Nag-gets ko
Ah,
manifest.
bro.
So,
It's trying to be witty, man.
Ano sila, okay?
Manifest, bro. Manifest, yes. Hindi mo gets,
Yeah.
okay? Aircon
Kung
humor
nga
ka
gets,
kasi.
that's why I'm asking for context, bro. Puta kayo na, may mga inside jokes kayo, hindi ko naintindihan.
Manifest!
Manifest! Manifest!
Manifest ang ano?
Siya! What the fuck, man? It's a fucking
Manifest
diet. Oh my God, you're slow.
No, I still don't get it. Like,
What the look
what
at
is-
Neil! Manifest! You need to be manifest! What the fuck are you... Paano hindi mo na-gets?
Rage rate ka, bro.
How
Alam
come
niya.
you don't get it, bro?
You rage rate.
Manifest!
He needs to be manifest.
Tanga na daw.
Honestly, ngayon ko lang na-gets.
Oh
Na-gets
my
ko na
God.
Oh my God,
narinig ko
bro.
na. See? Yeah, I'm proud of
Sorry,
you, Ken.
guys.
This is the Ken I want. This is the
Aircon
Ken I want to
humor,
see,
mahirap
okay?
eh.
This is the Ken I want to see, alright?
Tuwatanda
Yung
pa lang,
parang
medyo.
UK humor pala.
yung-
UK humor.
Paglalaban niya yung ano niya. Alright, okay, I get it now. Alright, John, any New Year's resolution for 2026?
Di ko alam, 4K tas ano, 60 hertz ano.
Uy! Putang na, OLED.
4K 60 hertz? Oh, the damn, bro. I think your camera needs a resolution, a New Year resolution as well, bro. Tangay naglalag eh.
Naglalag.
O ka lang, inang
Naglalaga ako, internet mo lang yun. Just smooth
Hindi,
on my
lahat
end,
kami.
bro.
I think lahat naman natin. I think it's a
I think-
Discord, bro.
Yeah, I think
It's a
Discord is
Discord
being asked,
problem,
bro.
bro. They need to fucking up their shit.
Tama, Discord lang kasi tayo.
Discord needs to step it up. New Year's resolution. Okay, on my end, I guess it's like yung panibagong mantra ko, okay? Or rather, hindi siya panibagong mantra. I just feel like it's the most powerful word of my life right now. Nugagawin.
Damn, bro.
There you go.
Yan yung
With the eye.
cover niya. eh.
Nugagawin.
Puta,
With the
yun
eye,
yung cover niya.
Diba? With the I, bro. Exactly, bro. Tinanong ni John kanina sa akin, bakit yung nugagawin mo is I, hindi N?
The E.
And I'm like, puta nga na. Hindi pala E. Okay. Imbis na nugagawin, is nugagawin. Parang
Nugaga,
Anita
bro.
Max win lang yan, okay?
No gaga, bro.
I put the win in
Kaya,
nugagawin.
paano mo
Ah,
naisip
That's what
yan?
I wanna happen, bro.
Paano mo
I
naisip yan?
gotta, yung alin?
Ba't mo naisip yan?
Yung nugagawin. Wala lang. It's just, I feel like it's the best fucking thing for everything na right now. Okay?
Damn,
Pero
bro.
dito ako sa UK, gagawin? Diba? Malamig, gagawin? Gutom ako? gagawin?
Kumain, malamang.
Diba?
Kumain.
Oh, exactly! Diba? Parang some people, right now, ito guys, oh. Aray ko pukin ang ina ka! Hayop ka! Putang ina mo, ano yun?
Ano siya, guys? Ako soundboard siya.
Nugagawin! Nugagawin! Diba? Magmura! Oh, tama.
That was something, bro.
Like I feel like, you know, people pay so much money for therapy. But they can just say,
What the fuck, man?
gagawin?
Si Neil,
Yeah.
gago.
Tama.
Tama.
Can you stop ruining our listeners' fucking
Eardrums.
experience, bro, with your shit? Bro, if you're bored, fucking ano.
Ay, grabe.
Putang ina mo kang hayop ka. Nawala tuloy ako. Saan hindi?
Yan, nawala ka tuloy.
Okay.
Wala na
What was I
pala.
talking about? I was talking about the new gagawin, bro.
Ano gagawin ako? Ano gagawin?
Yun ang nawala talaga.
Exactly, man. I fucking love that. I
Chris,
fucking
nawala.
love that word. I think yun na yung bagong love language ko.
I think
Ano
yung no
gagawin,
gagawin mo is yun yung 1, 2, 3 method ata or 1, 2, 3, 4 method.
What the fuck
What
is
the fuck is a method, bro?
I don't. That's
Like,
the first thing.
I
First
think,
time I've heard of that.
Like, this works for people with ADHD, you know?
Holy shit!
They hotwire their brain na magbilang ng 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3,
Gagawin
4.
nila. 1, 2,
Ano yan?
3,
That's the
go.
first time I've heard of that.
Parang sinabi na ni Neil yun before.
The 1, 2, 3
Explain
method.
it.
Yeah.
Explain it, Neil. Explain it.
I've never heard that. Sige nga, explain mo nga, Neil.
1, 2, 3 method. So kung kailangan mong gawin,
Okay,
like
what's the
tinatamlay ka, siguro,
Ah.
nagpa-procrastinate ka magdamag.
Ah,
Gusto mong ayusin yung kama mo. Iano mo sa utak mo. Mag-aayos ako ng kama. 1, 2, 3, go. Gagawin mo na.
Pipilitin mo sarili mo. Ano.
Pipilitin mo, yes.
Pag nasa nasa tuktok ka ng building. 1, 2, 3.
Exactly, bro. Parang, shit, nandito na ako sa tuktok ng building. No gagawin, di ba? Parang,
Why we talking about ano?
Yeah, dark humor for 2023. Let's fucking go. Sheesh. Ano din nag-rock si Chris? Holy shit, Chris, are you okay?
You
Huwag
okay?
gagawin
Bro.
yun, ha? Huwag mo gagawin yun,
Nagagaling,
ha?
bro.
Holy shit, man. What the fuck? Don't think about it, bro. Did you literally just visualize that shit? Come on, Chris.
No,
You're
man.
better.
ano mo na, context kasi nag-meeting kami before yung mga plano namin for this year kasi no gagawin, tama,
Yeah,
di ba?
Ano naman, no gagawin.
Eh, medyo natagal. So ngayon, antok yung mga tao na po-podcast.
Tama.
Tama.
Oo, tama. Isa kasi
Matagal pa
namilit.
yung meeting namin kaysa sa ano.
Podcast kaya gagawin, tama.
Sa pag-podcast ngayon.
Chris, ano
After pa
gagawin
nito,
mo sa lotion
maglalaro
sa
pa
likod?
kami. Tama, Chris? Ano?
Yeah.
Mm.
Diba?
Chris, ano gagawin mo sa lotion, Chris?
Saan?
Sa likod.
Putang ina, nagsabay-sabay nagsasalita. Ano
Hindi
yun,
ko,
Neil?
di ko naririnig.
Ano gagawin mo yung sa lotion sa likod?
Lotion sa likod. Ako nang pakalam dun, pre.
Uy, wala ka na daw pakialam, boss.
Ay.
Wala ka ng
Paldo,
pakailan
Arizona, oh.
Pre.
Sarap ng inumin, oh. Arizona.
Yung hamster nyo, kinain na lang.
Wala ka
Buhay pa ba yung hamster?
Lahat pinansin, eh.
Boy pa.
Buhay pa ba, Mr. Damn, bro. That
Wag
guy
lang makawala
survived.
yan, nasa bibig na yan ni Ragnar.
Wala na yan.
Ayun,
Alright, going
nawala
back
siya tuloy.
to,
Natural
Manlulukoy
ko,
ba?
oh no.
Ina, naraglag tuloy si Chris.
Fuck.
Ain't no fucking way, bro.
Ain't no way, bro.
Kasali na to.
Hello, Chris, are you with us? Yan, he's
Ayun,
back.
he's back. What is going on?
Okay. Alright, going back. Yun lang naman yung no gagawin eh. That's it. That's my new mantra for the year. Like, whenever I'm doing something or if I'm pondering about something, it's more of like no gagawin. Okay? I wake up every morning, tatanungin ko si Deng Chan, anong gusto mong hot drink for today? Sabihin niya yun. Tapos ako naman like, no gagawin. Gagawin ko ba o hindi?
Damn, bro.
Yun lang naman eh. You know, like I wanna consider my fucking life as like some kind of fucking telltale games now, okay? If I'm brought into like a situation where I need to do something, may lalabas ng mga choices sa ano. Parang sa dispatch. Pero instead of like 2 choices, ang dami. Ganun. Tapos randomizer na lang.
Bala na.
That's life. Bahala na. Yun guys. Tatak nyo sa utak nyo. Again. Alright? Lagay nyo ha.
Okay.
No.
Gagawin.
Gaga. Win.
No gaga.
Tama.
No gaga, bro.
No gaga. So, yeah, that's it for resolutions. Anyways, hindi rin tayo nakapag-podcast yung Christmas, so I might as well ask.
Oh, wag
What
naman
happened
na
to
ask.
y'all during Christmas?
You wanna fucking
What?
ask?
Don't ask, bro.
Why? What happened?
Hindi kami
what
naganda
the
dito.
fuck?
Hindi kami naganda. Naganda kami
Nga.
27.
Exactly, yun
oh.
nga. Exactly, bro. Yan nga.
Nga.
Exactly.
Yun yung nangyari.
Di ba
okay.
nag-Xmas party kayo? Di ba nag-Xmas party
Ayaw nga
kayo?
pala. Thank you kay Boss Khalil, guys. Siya nagpahanda nun kaya nakapag-celebrate kami.
Diba?
Punta kayo sa channel niya. Okay? We love you, Boss Khalil.
May upload doon.
Tama, tama.
May podcast doon, may podcast, may ano doon, may vlog doon, may vlog. Official vlog nung
Which
Christmas
Official
I
party.
vlog.
haven't watched it. What
Yeah.
happened? What happened on Christmas, guys?
Panoorin mo,
What-
like, makikita mo kung anong pinaggagawa namin katarantaduhan doon, nag-cooking show, and yung hinihingi mong ano. Ano yun?
Update.
Update
House
sa'yo.
Yung,
update.
ano yung tour? My house
yes.
tour? Yeah.
House tour, yes.
I love that. Good job. Yeah, like, how was your Christmas nga?
Masaya.
It
Yung
was fine.
27 masaya.
It was okay.
Nung 25 depressed ako. Like, sabi ko sa mga editor, ang lukot na Pasko natin, idol. Wala tayong pira. Wala tayong handa, wala tayong makain. Ano na kami.
Kasi nag-record pa tayo ng Don't Scream.
Sabi ko, holy shit, this is so sad. Buhawi na ng 27 yan. Buhawi na lang kami ng 27. Masaya kami doon. Oh. Thank you ulit, Boss Khalil.
Damn, so literally wala kayong ginawa.
Kala ko
Wala,
ba yun natin
literal,
2027 eh.
What? That's... Damn, bro. Grabe ka tayo. Hindi mo man lang sila ininbita sa bahay.
We poor, bro.
Ano ba ginawa niyo ni Neil?
Anong hindi?
Hello?
Ewan ko nga sa kanila, bakit
Kumain ata sila.
Anong hindi?
Nag-enjoy lang sila.
Ken,
Sometimes
hindi.
ganun
Hello,
talaga, boy.
Ken. Oh, kita mo, hindi
Ay,
naalala ni Ken.
New Year kami na ni Nila. Ay, New Year.
Pasko, hindi.
Oh, di pala sa Pasko eh.
Oh, come on, bro. Hindi naalala. Oh my God. Kaya mo na.
Damn, what are neighbors for, bro?
Ay, gagawin neighbors
Grabe.
natin. Thank you ulit sa neighbors namin nagbigay ng macaroni. Bigla kami binigyan ng New Year.
Wait, what?
Thank you.
Sinong neighbor? Like, yung
Yung
katabi
katabi lang natin
neighbor?
literal. Yeah, yung katabi natin
Puta,
literal.
try
Alam na,
Neil
guy,
do
legend.
better. Ano ba yan?
I love that guy, bro. Pinakausap ako niyan eh, regarding sa aso. Like, ay, natutulog po eh. Ay, sige, okay lang dyan. Muna yan, di ba?
Damn, bro. Tapos tayo wala tayong ginawa sa
Ay,
kanila.
nagbigay sila
Stop.
carbonara tsaka
Ay,
Shanghai.
nako. Ay, nako.
Ay,
Ay, nako.
Ay, putang ina.
Ay, nako.
eyeball.
Ay, ito na eh, oh.
Amazing.
Ano?
Ito na eh, oh. Ito na.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ito.
May listen ka ba?
Ano meron?
Malungkot to si Ken eh. Malungkot si Ken eh.
What are we
do you
looking
mean?
at? What are we waiting for?
What is going on, bro?
Ito.
What is
posting
going on?
something?
Ayan, oh.
Ano yan?
Ayan, oh.
What the fuck?
Ba't ka blur? Ba't ka blur?
Wala ako. Wala ako. Natulog ako niyan eh.
bro.
Ayan, oh. Binigyan ko. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
guys, ay, yung
Thank
kay
you.
Ken yung isa dyan, ha. Kasi
Ako,
tulog
carbonara.
pa siya.
Tulog ako niyan eh.
Oo, kasi di siya makakapunta. Enjoy kayo, Shanghai sa carbonara, ya.
Thank you po.
Enjoy, ya.
W Neil, bro.
Enjoy, ya.
W Neil, like poverty porn.
Sarap. Puta, pinuhos ko ba?
Puta mo kang poverty porn.
Poverty porn.
Tapos, para saan
Yung Shanghai, oh. Sarap Shanghai, oh. Di ba?
Okay na.
Kain na. Sarap na kain, oh. Ano?
Sarap
Sarap,
kain. Okay
Shanghai
lang.
number 1, bro.
Okay
Hindi mo
lang.
kasi set na...
Okay lang, di na-appreciate, pre. Okay lang.
Sabi ko po,
Puta,
taka na ba't
nagtampo
dalawa
na
lang
si
yung Shanghai?
Idol.
Wala
Ay,
na.
hindi.
Yun lang problema ko nun eh. Dalawa lang
Hindi
yung
ko
Shanghai
naman
ko.
basta sabi ko naman, pag meron ako, bibigyan ko sila.
Tama,
Pero
tama.
Okay
Thank
lang,
you,
eh. Di ko naman hinihinging mag-thank you sila eh. Patuloy mo na.
Kiss mo na daw sa lalabi ka, no?
Damn, I can smell it from here. Bro.
From him, bro.
Okay, alright. Chris, I think si Chris ang pinakamasaya
Pinakamarami,
yung
oh,
Pasko.
pinakamarami nangyari na buhay niya.
They were buzzing, bro.
They
Ano
were
naman
ba?
nangyari doon, okay?
Everyday
Like, literally,
nagsiselebrate
there
ng
was like
Christmas
a
niya.
fucking fiesta. Dude, there was like a fucking fiesta doon sa...
Sa labas ng
Oh,
bahay
yeah.
nila.
Ka ba?
Tama.
Oh, gago.
Hosted
What
by
was
Chris.
happening there, bro?
Gago.
Hosted by Chris.
No, that's not
What
what
happened
it
there,
is. My fucking holidays is stressful as fuck, bro.
what do
Nah,
you
bro. You
mean?
were enjoying shit.
Bakit?
You were enjoying, bro. You were
You
buzzing.
No,
were
uh,
enjoying, bro.
Like, I do not want to go outside to like do whatever the fuck people do in holidays, but holy shit, that whole month was a lot of traveling. Pero kailangan ko rin umuwi kasi nga minsan lang umuwi si ate galing Italy. Kasama rin
Oh,
yung
damn.
Uy,
kasama rin yung
Bro.
Uwi.
yung asawa niya tsaka yung mga anak niya.
Ay, French pala yun. Oh.
I haven't ano.
Damn.
So, yun nga,
Damn.
yung kanyang Italian na asawa, puta, pagdating ko ng Batangas, I was like, hey, what's up, dude? Il Duce. Oh, Il Duce. Biglang tumaas yung kamay. Eh.
Dapat pinakainin siya ng spaghetti ng Pinas, gago.
oo nga. Magagalit.
Dapat damn, bro. Honestly, like
rate this shit, yun ang-
you lost the
That pinutol mo yung pasta sa harap niya. bago
Hindi
mo
nga,
na-
ang ganda nga na bati sa akin. Like, legit, pagka-uwi ko, he approached me. Tapos tinawag ko siyang Il Duce. Biglang nag-highlighter bigla sa akin.
What?
He watch, bro. He
Damn,
watch us,
the
bro.
boys
He's
are
watching
back.
us,
The
bro.
boys are back.
He knows, bro.
Yeah, he knows.
He
He's
knows,
watching you, bro.
You gotta
Hindi,
get the
tinawag ko kasi,
Axis Nation, bro.
tinawag ko kasi siyang Il Duce. Di ba si Il Duce, si Benito Mussolini yun?
Yan ang di namin alam.
Hindi ko alam yan.
Tapos
Hindi
hinili
ko
ka.
alam
tanga.
yan.
Tapos sinila ko bigla. Sabi ko, "Hoy, bawal yan." Sabi ko. And then, yun nga. So, nung natapos nga yung fiesta, tanga na, di ako makauwi nun. Kasi kailangan ko ring ihatid yung ate ko nung 10 papuntang Manila. So, I've been going back and forth from Batangas to Tarlac those
God
times.
damn. Oh, shit.
Yeah. At tapos dumating din yung yung 21 ata yun. Yeah. I had to like surrender my car kasi hihiramin nila, magta-travel sila nung 18 and then we gotta go to this resort sa Subic nung 21.
Paldo.
Ba, anong resort yun? Anong resort, ha?
I forgot its name. Pero malap sa anong beach resort yun? Yung Long
Mga
Beach.
White Rock?
White Lock
Long
Resort.
White Rock?
It's a Wild Orchid or something. I don't know.
Okay.
So basically yan, I kinda enjoy it. Napag-beach ako minsan. But here's the thing rin. Kinabukasan, I was gonna go back to Batangas kasi I was gonna take back the car. Pero the first thing is, kailangan ko muna silang hatid sa Batangas. So, anong nangyari is, hinatid ko muna si Binky sa terminal. Nung pagkatid ko kay Binky sa terminal, nagpalit kami ng brother-in-law ko na magdadrive. Siya doon magdadrive papunta Batangas. Medyo goofy rin yung brother-in-law ko. So, basically, pumasok siya doon sa RFID ng NLEX. Hindi nag-i-scan yung RFID. So, you had to scan the card.
Gaganon mo,
right?
gaganon mo.
Oh, you gotta go.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing. May lumabas na ticket. Instinctively, kinuha niya. Sabi ko, no, don't do it!
Bakit?
Kinuha niya.
Anong-
Biglang tumaas yung sa sobrang panic,
wait.
binalik niya yung ticket. So, nagdire-diretso. So, sabi ko, why did you
take it?
Pumunta siya sa cash lane.
Yeah, why'd you give the ticket back? Tapos, no. So basically, nung nakarating na kami doon sa RFID, 800 yung siningil sa amin.
Wait,
Aray
ba't
ko.
mo kasi pinigilan? Kinuha niya yung ticket, di ba?
Hindi, kasi
Kasi
nga,
sinabing no.
I said don't take it. Kasi ini-scan niya na, he instinctively took the fucking ticket.
So ito kasi, yung explanation, no? Explanation. Kasi,
Please explain.
pumila sila sa cash.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
yung bayaw ni Chris, kinuha pa rin yung ticket pero na-scan na. So, dapat, pag
Kasi
na-scan
ba't
mo,
may ticket?
Hindi niya
lumabas.
na-scan. Hindi niya na-scan. Parang, nung ini-scan, parang hindi pa tapos yung scanning, bigla niya kinuha yung ticket.
Okay. So,
Kasi pag in-scan yan,
nadoble.
kakainin ulit eh.
Yes.
Kakainin ulit yung ticket eh.
Kakainin yung
Nadoble.
ticket. Nangyari is like, hinila niya, binilik niya ulit. So basically, dumire-diretso kami sa RFID, in-scan yung RFID namin. Akala nila, galing kaming Olongapo still. So
I
800
feel like
yung
that was your
singles.
fault.
You know what's funny?
I think that was your fault, man. No, because like, he took the ticket. Kasi parang...
No, he
kasi
didn't
parang
talk the
yun
ticket
yung-
first. He didn't talk the ticket first. I didn't advise him to take the ticket. I just said to him, scan the card. Nung nag-i-scan siya ng card, he instinctively...
May lumabas na ticket.
ticket,
Baka kasi akala niya, resibo
Akala
na yung
niya, resibo
ticket.
yun. Oo.
Oo.
Wait, bakit may lumabas na ticket pagka-scan? Hindi ba
Kasi
resibo
nga, sa
yun?
cash lane sila!
Kasi nga nauuna yung ticket lumabas. Pero pag naglagay ka ng card doon mismo, babalik yun.
Alam mo yung cash lane?
Dude, that is so dumb. Okay, wait. That is so dumb in terms of like a design na parang may lalabas na ticket after you scan kung hindi mo naman
Hindi nga, andun na nga
Hindi
yung
nga
ticket
na-scan.
daw.
Hindi nga na-scan.
Hindi nga na-scan. Okay.
Hindi nga na-scan.
Scanning pa lang. Scanning.
Scanning
On
pa
process
lang.
pa
May
lang.
lumabas na,
Okay.
no? Hindi
Kapag
siya
may
na-scan
scan daw
daw.
yun,
The
babalik
moment
yung
of
ticket
it,
sa
yeah.
loob.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what?
Pag-scan.
I'm not gonna ask anymore kasi like
Hindi ko
at the
gets.
moment parang I'm still confused din na parang bakit may ticket na nakalabas kung may scan na. You know what? I'm just gonna
Kasi nasa
maybe
cash
get
lane
Kasi
sila.
yung RFID, ang problema ngayon kasi sa NLEX, yung Easy Trip, yung RFID
Oo.
niya sa pag outdated, di siya nag-i-scan automatically.
Oo.
So kailangan mo maglabas ng card.
tap
Nandun
card,
kami sa
oo.
cash lane, mag-i-scan sana kami ng card. Nandun na
Oo.
pero may biglang lumabas
Yun.
sa ticket. Nahilan niya rin.
Okay.
So hindi
Yun
pa
ang
tapos yung
unang
processing
ano.
ng RFID. Yun yung
Yun ang unang pagkakamali sa cash lane.
Yung pangalawang pagkakamali,
Ah.
hindi namin kinip yung ticket, binalik pa namin, nalaglag.
Binalik niya,
Tapos
yeah.
nagdire-diretso. So, nagmahal yung aming ano.
Di mo ba tinap? Di mo pa rin ba tinap?
Kasi the thing is like parang 'di ba kung cash lane dapat may para kung nabawa wala kang RFID 'di ba? Usually a way to prompt the ticket para masabing cash ka nga is you press a fucking button or something or bibig
Parang ganun nga
hindi siya
eh.
automatic eh.
Automatic nga eh.
Hindi siya dapat
For some
automatic.
reason, it's
Automatic
automatic,
siya.
yeah.
That's why
And
may
that's what I'm
nakalagay
saying. It's like a dumb kind of dumb design. Pero I guess it's more of like pag cash lane dapat wag ka sa cash lane.
Ba't kasi sa cash lane? Yun ang muna.
Wala.
Nag-domino effect na lang. Domino effect.
Hindi, dalawang ano
Yeah,
eh.
okay,
And then there's like a two, edi
Okay.
kumanan
Sige,
siya.
gets ko na. I get it now. All right.
Di ba, no? So, ito ang
So,
tanong ko ngayon. Okay. Ano kaya nangyari sa akin? Kasi, nangyari yan sa akin eh. Pumila ako dun, tapos sabi ko, what the fuck ba yung lumabas na ticket? Kinuha ko yung ticket, tapos tinap ko yung card ko. Then, tumuloy ako, di ba? Pagpasok ko, dun, di na ako nag-cash. Siyempre, pinadetect ko na sa
RFID.
mismong sa RFID. So, nakita ko, parang di naman ganun ka-significant yung bawas. So, I don't know.
Baka
So,
depende sa
I think I
length.
just
Kung saan ka
I got a free, like, a piece of paper, for souvenir, bro.
Baka rin.
I feel like I did something like that before na parang may kinuha
Ako,
ako.
CR lang.
Pero na-try ko kasi yun,
Tapos
like,
yan.
nailumabas ako, what the fuck is this? Tapos tinap ko, and then kinain ulit yung ticket, no? Tapos wala na.
Fuck,
It's like,
wala
oh,
kang
your
yun,
pass, get the fuck back, get the fuck away, ganun. So, parang ano pa rin siya. Kung wala kang RFID, yun yung way mo na, parang may ano ka, day, ano, di ba may ganun sa MRT, LRT? Yung parang day pass, ata, or yung one single ticket, ata, parang ganun.
Kasi MRT, ganun.
Dude, I have like this one time na parang, hindi ko alam kung nung exit yun. Pero basta naligaw ako. Like usually, di ba, pag galing ka sa expressway, tapos exit ka, may gate, di ba, na exitan. Tama? So what happened on mine is like, it was so weird. Basta pa-north to. It was so fucking weird na may inexitan ako, pero it was like no gate.
Ha?
Like walang exit gate. It was just literally no exit gate. To the point na para, okay, nasa ibang bayan na ako. And so I'm like, okay, maybe I exited somewhere else. Somewhere wrong. So nag-ikot-ikot ako. Tapos pagka-ikot ko, para bumalik kasi gusto ko bumalik sa expressway. Putang ina, may pinasok na naman ako na gate. And that wasn't the exit gate, that was the entrance gate pabalik sa expressway. And I'm like, what the fuck? So doon, pinigilan ako nung gate. Parang you have to like pay again. I'm like, boss, hindi naman ako nag-exit din eh. Parang may pinasukan akong ganito, ganyan. In-explain ko sa kanya, pero parang hindi niya pa rin mag-gets. So, tinanong na lang, saan ka ba unang what do you call this, pumasok? Sabi ko, sa Balintawak. So, yun na putang nila, chinarjan ako for the full fucking thing, which is dumb.
Tsaka pagaling.
Dapat di ka na nagtanong, dapat tinap ko na lang.
Hindi nga tinatanggap, tinatap ako, pero parang hindi siya what do you call this, parang
Nag-register.
nag-error. Oo, parang, what the fuck, parang the system recognizes my car as like, how the fuck did you get outside of the fucking expressway na hindi ka po dumaan sa isang exit gate? So, that was fucking dumb. I don't know what happened there, but there's something like that. Sana naayos na yun. Anyways, that's, I guess that's enough for our expressway escapades.
Pero di pa ako tapos yan, okay? So,
okay, what's
Meron
up?
pa!
so nung nakauwi nga ako ng Batangas, yun, sabi ko, 11 o'clock na kami naka-uwi kasi sobrang traffic dun sa papuntang NLEX sa Pampanga tapos sa Bulacan, sobrang traffic. Pagdating namin Star Tollway, sobrang traffic din. Mga 10 o'clock na ako nakarating ng Batangas kami. Tapos I had to leave as soon as possible so that I could return to Batangas as soon as possible. So yan, drive ako ng 11 o'clock. Pagdating ko ng Lipa, Star Tollway, 12 o'clock, I was in the right lane. Apparently, there's this car na nasa kaliwang lane. He's trying to like, kumakanan siya kasi parang magme-merge yung may ginagawa kasi daan doon sa Star Tollway ngayon. Putang na, I was already running at like 60 to 80 kilometers per hour and I was like,
Ako nang bilis naman nun.
tanga na, nasa kanan ako, okay? And I was like,
Hindi nasa kaliwa.
yung nasa kaliwa, hindi, yung nasa kaliwa kasi, magkakanan siya kasi, mag-veer off na siya. Eh, ang problema is like, I was literally, nasa likod lang niya ako, 60 to 80 kilometers per hour. I-fucking kumanan siya bigla nung hindi siya nagpa-flasher. So, anong nangyari? I got pushed off to the shoulder and the shoulder was really, sobrang dulas kasi sobrang buhangin ng ano. So, nag-drift ako doon sa shoulder. I was like, yo, what the fuck? Tapos, yung nasa harap ako, parang nahiya na lang na bumagal siya bigla, na pinapalagpasan na lang ako. I was like, what the fuck are you doing, man? Why you push you off like that to the side of the road? Di man lamang siya. Ang problema kasi di siya naghintay na lumagpas ako. Talagang he pushed me off, man.
Anong kotse yan?
I
I was about
forgot.
to ask you. That's the most important question, Chris. Anong model? Anong klaseng kotse siya?
It's a sedan. It's a sedan. It's a hatch. It's a hatchback
Yung
sedan.
ego, bitch.
Nah, man. SUV yun, gago.
Sa hatchback sila
Nah,
kasi.
man. If it's a hatchback, puta, hindi uso hatchback dito sa Pinas. Gago, SUV yun, gago.
Tama na.
Ano na
Uso,
SUV?
what the hell, bro?
Sana na
I cannot,
SUV.
hindi,
It was an SUV, bro.
Hindi ko matatanggapin yan.
Di mo ba,
Yuri
anong
mo,
kotse?
okay.
Anong kotse?
ano?
Di ba? Anong kotse? Anong brand?
I kind of forgot. It's
Ano yun? Baka
It's really
beat your
beautiful.
dick yun, ha?
It was not
probably
sedan, bro.
a
It was
beat your
not sedan,
dick,
bro.
bro.
It was not sedan, bro.
It was a beat your dick.
It was a beat your
a
dick,
SUV,
you know.
bro.
It was a beat
It was a beat your
It was a beat
your BYD, bro.
It might be a BYD.
Beat your dick, bro.
It might be a
BYD,
BYD. Might be a BYD. Pero a few kilometers later, parang nakalabas na ako ng malapit na akong lumabas sa Star Tollway, and there's this like L300 in front of me. I was just being chilling, just following its tail until it fucking stopped. Like it literally braked the hell out of itself and goes. I was like, yo, what the fuck? I was like panicking na parang saan to pupunta? Like parang nagising siya or something.
Oh, nakatulog.
I was like, you know what? I am going to fucking go in a stopover. I'm gonna sleep. Kasi putang na, I had 2 almost car accidents na nangyari sa akin ngayong trip na to. I'm gonna
Siyempre,
fucking
bro.
stay here.
Okay.
oo.
Breaking
Kailangan mo
distance,
talaga.
eyeball, okay?
I think mali mo
Ka
eh.
kasi, kasalanan mo
Baka
yun.
kasi
Mali mo eh.
Yung
Sinundan mo yung ano, gago.
I was in a breaking distance, okay? At least 2 car
Na
gaps.
breaking distance mo, ganyan
Two
lang
gaps.
oh.
Two car gaps.
2 cars, hindi ka
Yeah.
makapapanik na. Nah,
Ano,
man.
two electric bike yung ano mo, hindi 2 cars.
L300 yung ano yung nasa tapat ko ah. I got
Oh.
two car gap distance.
Anong car gap? Baka Wigo.
It's like 2 car gaps, man. And I was like, I was just following the L300. All of a sudden, it fucking stopped
man.
like that.
Dapat 2 pick up
Sure,
gaps.
man. Kwento mo
okay?
yan eh. Sure yan. Ilabas sa
Pre,
CCTV.
ano,
Ilabas sa dashcam footage.
Pag
Wala
sabog
akong
ka,
wala akong
ano
dashcam.
lang,
Number deleted.
stopover lang.
Siyempre,
Okay, pag ano
So,
ka, pag
so
sabog ka
nag-stop
na.
over na. Hindi ako sabog. Yung mga tao na nasa harap ako, yun yung sabog. Kaya ako
Ayun,
na yung nag-stop over.
Pag stop over mo sila.
Punta ka na. Ako like, tumigil na ako, like, tutulog ako. Pero punta ka na yung gising ko nung nag-stop over ako. Tanga na, pagod pa rin ako eh. So, dire-diretso na ako sa Tarlac. Nakarating ako si Tex. Bigla na ako nagba-blackout. Sabi ko, titigil muna ako dito.
Tumaka muna
Problema
dito.
ka rin pala eh. Puta.
Hindi,
Tumaka muna dito.
Pero alam ko naman, okay? At least ako, alam ko na nagba-blackout na ako. Tanga kaya tumigil na ako sa si Tex.
Dumaka muna dito.
Hindi, like dahil mga 6:30 yata, nagising na ako, rumekta na uli ako sa Tarlac. Pagkatating ko sa Tarlac, hindi na ako natulog, parang yung tag dito. Kinuha ko na, parang tinanggal ko na yung mga monitor ko, yung PC ko kasi dadalhin ko sa Batangas. Tapos yan, rekta alis na agad ako sa dito. Iaatid ko si Binky. So nag-date muna kami ni Binky ng mga ilang oras. Tapos mga 5 PM, paulis na ang Pampanga. Putang na, traffic na naman sa Pampanga. Sabi ko, okay. Hindi ako.
Wow.
Tapos nagre-request
What's
pa
that
ng
look, Neil?
tapos nagre-request pa ng recording kayo. Like sabi ko, makakauwi ako 9 to 8 to 9.
Oh, ikaw nagsabi na kaya
nagsabi
mo.
nun, ah.
Okay.
Like makakauwi
Tanong
ako.
lang kami.
Makakauwi ako. Tapos pagdating ko sa sabi ko, hindi ko mukhang hindi ako makakauwi na maaga. Traffic sa
That was
traffic sa
a lie,
Skyway. Traffic sa Skyway. Pero pagdating ko sa Skyway, it's the most difficult thing na nangyari sa akin kasi 2 oras akong stuck doon. Tapos naiihi ako.
Oof.
Then, may
Eh,
tanong ako
dapat
sa'yo,
lagi
Chris.
kang may bote ng tubig.
May tanong ako sa'yo, Chris. Natry mo na bang maglaro ng di ba may steering wheel ka?
Oh.
Natry mo na bang maglaro na like yung dulong-dulo ka na talaga like you just wanna sleep pero you wanna play as well, alam mo yun? Like your body will
No,
sleep pero you wanna play.
I don't think I have done that na naglaro ako ng ng
Ganun
any
na
racing.
tayo.
I don't think that works the same way kasi
Yeah.
parang puta pag kasi
Real
pag you're
simulation
driving, kaya
no?
inaantok kasi you're exposed to G's kahit papaano and that kind of exhausts your fucking body. So kaya ka inaantok. It's not gonna lie, bro. One of the top things na masarap tulugan, it's not a hotel. It's the fucking stopover sa expressway. Okay.
Yes.
For some reason, like I feel safe there. I feel like parang walang sasaksak sa akin or babaril sa akin doon pag nasa expressway ako. Kasi if ever meron man, madali lang naman matrace. Mas
May mga CCTV.
ano mo yun? Oh, gag. Hindi, like may toll gate. Ang sila nagdadaan.
sa sila,
Go over the
maharang
backwards
agad.
sila.
Basta,
Honestly, like, ang sarap. And I feel like, alam mo yung parang 30 minutes na idlip size or 1 hour na idlip sa kotse. Putang parang mas masarap pa kasi sa idlip sa kama or sa Feels good, bro.
Power
Like,
nap.
I don't know what's in a fucking express. Kahit umaga or gabi yan, putang na. Sarap.
Don't do that shit though. Don't drive na inantok ka.
Yeah.
Wag.
Unless you're addicted
Okay.
to 1 midnight, bro, and then you're trying to time attack, tas sobrang antok mo na. Like, this is nothing.
Kung anto ka, you shouldn't be doing a time attack at all, dude.
Nah, bro, second like, kasi kinaya ko nga yung time attack eh. Puta, ito na nga ba, wala naman nung hinahabol na oras.
You know what?
Hindi, ang time attack mo sa utak mo, putang ina. I have a few minutes to go bago antokin, puta, time attack.
I'm kinda guilty of doing that. Yung nilalabanan mo yung oras ng antok mo, like, fuck, antokin ako sa ganitong oras. I need to get home as soon as possible.
Ayun, bro.
Pero nung nasa Skyway ako, ihi na ako. I had to improvise. Sa putang na sobrang traffic, hindi rin ako makatigil. Hindi rin ako pag-stop over kasi nga, I'm stuck into the left side of the lane nasa Skyway. So, I was doing like, putang na, gumagewang-gewang pa ako kasi I'm trying to like, remove my pants as soon as possible so that I could pee in a fucking cup, man. While moving
bro.
2 kilometers per hour.
saying, bro?
Puta, para lang makahiya.
Like legit, wala na akong
Gusto mo?
bala kung yung makakita sa akin. Taka na, I legit stand up into my fucking seat. Like,
Holy shit, I have never experienced that shit, bro.
And then just
Sana di ko
fucking whip
ma-experience
it
po,
out.
tangina.
And just whip it out in my fucking cup. Putang ina, medyo tatalabsikan
Damn.
pa yung putang ina ng damit ko tsaka yung shorts ko. It's like, fuck!
Di ka pala pwede sa initial D eh. Dapat yung cup ilagay mo sa cup holder tapos
Tanga na,
Para
at this
ano
point,
pagdidrip.
tanga na, at this point, kailangan ko nakadeter ko eh. This time, kailangan ko nakadeter. So, nag-stop over ako sa Petron doon sa SLEX. Kasi kailangan magpalit. Putang na, ayoko naman pumunta doon sa CR. Kasi puta, maamoy ako ng tao, panghe. Diba? So, ang ginawa ko, doon ako nag-park doon sa pinaka-gilid-gilid ng pinaka-gilid-gilid ng Petron. Doon sa parang tapanan nila ng basura. And then, nung pumasok ako doon, bigla may sumunod sa akin na parang police. Sabi ko, oh, fuck. I was like, oh, fuck. Tapos
You're
nagtanong,
under arrest for pissing all over the place, sir.
tapos nagtanong siya, boss, pwede ba pwede bang umihi dito? Kasi di pa ako taga dito. And I was like, oh my God, I thought I was gonna get arrested or some shit. So maya nung umalis siya,
Abado.
For pissing? What the fuck?
tapos maya umalis siya. Saka na ako nagpalit. Nandun ako sa it's like in a bare open dun sa likod ng Petron. Nagubad at nagubo ako dun para lang magbihis ng
Yeah, these are the type of experiences I would just bring to my death, you know.
Buti na lang,
Fuck.
Fine, bro.
buti na lang, timing, may dumating na dalawang, parang staff ng Petron doon, nagtatapon ng basura, and I'm already clothed. Good thing that they did not reach me bare naked in that situation. Otherwise, I'm gonna get arrested for public nudity or some
Public
shit.
indecency, bro.
Public scandal, gag.
Wait,
Tapos,
bakit nangyari pala yun? Wala, di ka ba makapag-bihis sa kotse mo?
Hindi.
Pwede-
Ang sikip sa kotse, tsaka I made a mess all over the driver's seat. So I had to clean it muna pagkabihis ko.
Goddamn, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Now I
And
kinda
then-
wanna live in my car, bro. I should do
And
that,
then,
you know,
Puta
for a
man,
week.
kung si Honda Spike yan, hindi ka gaganunin yun. Gago.
You just
Kasi nga,
wake up and-
Pwede ka
Pwede ka tumayo.
tumambling doon.
Pwede ka tumayo doon eh.
Kasi nga
Hindi ka
sikip,
kumain.
dala-dala ko nga lahat ng gamit ko, yung this big ass monitor. It's occupying the whole seat dun sa likod. So parang nakaganon pa ako sa driver's seat. So anyway, nung nakauwi ako ng Batangas, it's like, finally, I could get home, relax, and fucking watch some YouTube videos. Putang na. Ang kalabang ko naman, Globe.
Oh yeah, you did bitch about that.
Tanga na,
Wala sa
bitch.
Globe.
Tanga na,
Ano
walang
gagawa
Globe.
nun, holiday?
Ang tanga na, walang gumagawa. Sabi ko, boss,
Holiday yun.
nung pagkatiting ko, walang internet. Nung tumatawag ako sa Globe, putang wala sumasagot.
Yeah, holiday.
Tapos kinabukasan, nagkaroon ng internet. Like, yay, finally may internet na. Pagkatapos ko matulog, maya, no putang inang 10 o'clock, nag-text ang Globe na, enjoy your holidays, but thank you for connecting us to your holidays. And saktong pagka-text doon, taka na, nawalan ako ng internet eh. This time, yung problema, yung
Thank
sa
you na
modem
lang.
box. Sabi ko, putang ina.
Umalas.
Like, legit, stress ako nung nasa Batangas
Oh
ako
my
eh.
God, bro. Speaking of malas, pre. Yun.
Ewan ko ba,
Ano pala to eh, usapang hinanain pala to part to eh.
Usapang hinanain pala to eh.
Hindi pala to Pack You 2026
Alam ko,
eh.
Merry Christmas lang, boss eh.
Tama, fuck you na,
legit.
fuck you,
Yeah,
fuck you.
Like legit, if I could have stayed dito sa Tarlac for the whole holiday, I would have been much much happier. Okay, but goddamn,
Yeah.
I had to go kasi nga I need to spend time with my family.
Ano all?
Traditional pala si Idol eh.
Traditional si Idol.
No, I don't usually go there. But the thing is that yung ate ko, this is like the first of few
Ganun
many
naman
years
talaga.
na-
oo.
I have to
Pwede
like
silang
spend
umuwi.
time with my family then. So yun nga,
Had to, bro.
I had.
Hindi want to. Had. Keyword. Ano yun, Neil? Speaking of Globe, ano nangyari? What's going
Hindi
on?
Globe.
Ano yung sabi mo?
Wala. Ano sinasabi ko?
Like yung mga
You were about to react to like
You were about to, yeah.
Chris.
Before
Ano
Malas.
Naalala ko lang si Eyeball dyan.
nangyari kay Apple dyan?
Ay,
Malaking
gago.
bato. Ay, kami ni Ken, no? Nagpapaganong kami. Kasama kami ni
Holy
Ken. Like,
shit,
what the
man.
hell, bro? Ano
What's happening to
nangyayari?
Manila, bro?
Ha?
Nakalimutan na ni
Side
Idol
skirt mo,
ako.
side skirt mo, bro.
Yung ano yung?
Side skirt mo, Eyeball.
Parang kami
Ay,
ni
side
Ken
skirt.
na napapaganon kami, ha?
Nung
skirt
New
mo na.
Year, hinintay ka namin. Sabi ko, pukin na namang New Year to.
Ay, gago, yeah. That
Sunod.
shit's amazing.
Yeah, bro.
Di ganun ka ano yung damage. It was just like overwhelming
Scratch
nung
lang.
nakita ko kasi gabi eh. I cannot see
Scratch
shit.
lang.
Tumama yun?
Ha?
Tumama
Bato
yun?
daw eh.
Yung
Kasi
kotse mo?
parang binakbak na daan ng puta.
Mm.
So nobody's working. So puta ng dilim ng ng dinaanan namin, and then iniwan lang yung mga bato doon sa gilid ng kalsada.
hindi nilinis.
Like parang binakbak yung daan para palitan ng ano. Ang inang yan tumama sa ganun.
Baga.
Yeah.
Man,
Walang maayos
not
na
gonna lie, man. This fucking holiday. I don't feel the holiday spirit anymore.
Same,
No,
bro.
I'm not gonna lie.
I felt it when I was driving
Kasi-
home, bro.
Bakit?
Have you tried driving home tas alas 12 na?
New Year.
It was
That's
amazing.
what I've been doing, man.
Gago, nakita
Pero
mo yung
wala
video na
siyang
send ko.
kasabay.
Wala
Oo.
akong kasabay sa ano. Gago, I was like doing shit there. Gago, ang ano dun is, mandami nagpapaputok sa gitna ng daan.
Nagpapaputok.
What the fuck? It's like a battlefield out there, bro.
Napunta sa ano eh, napunta sa Warzone si John po. Tangina.
Alam mo yung may meme yung pinabili ka ng coke ng mama mo ng 11.55. Puta na yung ano sa One Piece. Yung sa Marineford, yung naglalaban niya si Ace. Yung kakatay na si Ace. Puta putukan kay saan. It was something, bro. It was something.
That was something, bro.
Not gonna
Holy
lie.
shit.
I wouldn't do that again. Na sunod-sunod sa tatlong araw na
I wouldn't do that
traveling
at
to
all, bro.
fucking Tarlac na Batangas.
hindi
Tarlac
ko,
na Batangas
ano yun.
again. It's fucking annoying. Inaantok pa ako most of the time na magdadrive ako pauwi or pabalik.
Kakain
Ganun ba
energy
katagal?
drink mo yan.
I'm not gonna lie kasi I think you would have enjoyed that kung di ka nagdala ng PC ka. Legit. Di ka nagdala ng gamit or kahit ano.
Baka napagod ka sa whole ass ng mga ano.
Tama. Ano.
Hindi, di rin na makatulog that time eh. Ng ayos. Kasi, like, sanay ako na gising ako ng mga ganitong oras from 8 p.m. to like 6 a.m. ng umaga. Nabivisit lang ako is, pag the time na natutulog na ako, puta nga na, yung mga tao sa bahay namin, binubuksan na lang yung pinto. Puta na, every time na nagbubukas yung pinto, naalarma
Gigising
ako.
ka.
Kasi siguro, nandun din yung susi sa labas, kaya wala rin ako no choice. So, si Ragnar, yung hype na to, kasama ko sa kwarto, pag nagbukas ng pinto, nagbo-bolt out, kaya na-alarma din ako. Sabi ko, puta ka na mga tao to. Sabi ko, oh my God, please. I wanna go home, man.
Fuck kasi 26 nga tama.
Wait,
25
was
pala.
that the time di ba nag-record tayo ng, I don't know what we were recording.
Oh, yeah.
like, 3 days
We
ago.
were.
So, bigla may pumapasok yung tatay mo, pumapasok yung ano. Si Chris is like, ba't kayo nandito? Can you guys fuck off? Fuck
Hindi
you,
ko alam
tatay. Sabi na, fuck you, tatay.
Can you like fuck off?
Dahil.
Everyone's there to like rage bait Chris. You know, parang,
Sabi ko, puta ka na, na-overstimulate ako, umalis kayo sa kwarto.
Laki ng hype eh. Everyone wants to do a cameo sa isang Pinoy's video po.
Cameo eh.
Yun nga. Oh, I'm not gonna do that ever again. I think I'm gonna stay here in the holidays. I'm not gonna go back there muna. Na-drain ako. Sabi ng girlfriend ko, pumayat ka. No shit.
Yun pala yung secret ng pagpapayat eh. Mas stress kang puki na yun.
Ay, legit.
At least ikaw pumapayat ka pag New Year's, yung iba tumataba, diba?
Sobrahan.
Tama. Well, speaking of the holidays then, like, I do agree. Like, hindi ko na-feel yung holiday spirit sa Pinas this year. For the one thing, putang ina, napansin nyo ba? Ni isang post about Jose Marichan, wala. I did not see any post, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Kahit yung ano, yung post kay ano, yung sa Fate, yung si kay Nero,
Pero
yung si Rezor.
Wala nga rin
Nobody
ako
posted
nakita.
that shit.
Did you forget
Diba?
or?
Nobody posted shit. No one posted anything about Jose Marichan.
Baka wala
Nobody
lang sa
posted
algo
about
mo.
Nero. Bro, ikaw may narinig, may nakuha?
Wala akong nakita. Wala akong nakita. Sa akin.
Baka sa mga
Wala.
lower like mas bata. Kasi alam mo yon yung algo mo, puro na eh.
Nah, man. Tangina. We made that shit. We made those memes, bro. Hindi
We
yung mga
made those
bata, okay?
traditions, man.
Yung
Iba
mga
na nga
bata, puro
panahon.
6'7" lang sila ngayon. Kahit yung Malemo Semoli, puta, wala nag-post
yeah.
nun. Fuck, man.
Damn, bro.
Alam mo
Posted
bakit?
that shit,
Kasi
bro. I am
they're
so sad.
probably experiencing the same as us, bro. The ones, yung kabatch
what?
natin. Nga.
Na what? What
Puta,
are they
kami nga,
experiencing?
puta, na Pinoy's boys na yan, hindi nag-celebrate ng Christmas kasi walang pera. Puta, how much mo yung mga I'm just saying, bro.
I'm saying this season fell off, bro. Do
Yeah,
better
bro.
next year. Okay. I mean, this 2026, you'll need to do better. Okay. Kung wala magpo-post, ako magpo-post. Okay. Post ko isang
Ba't tayo nag-post?
bagsakan. Like isang reel, kumakanta si Jose Marichan. So nagmamalemo sa muli, tapos sumasayaw si Nero. I'm gonna do
Tama.
that, bro.
Doon na papasok
Yeah,
yung
bro, do that,
AI,
bro.
gago, mag-AI na sa Gloco. He's gonna AI.
Nobody's gonna do it. I'll do
Wow, support
I'll
mo na
do it
AI.
myself.
He's gonna AI, bro. He's gonna AI.
it. What?
Yeah.
Nah, bro. Hindi ko AI yan, gago. As
He's
in,
gonna AI, bro.
ano ko lang sila.
AI mo yun.
Slayer.
AI mo yan,
those
gago.
three, bro.
Nah, bro.
Ilang ina niya.
Kwento ko lang yan, no? Kwento ko lang yung Italiano kong pamangkin, yung New Year.
Nagtutong-tong sahur ba siya?
Hindi. Parang bullshit nung yung maingay yung New Year. Most of the kids are like getting overstimulated and that kind of shit, right? Maya sinasabi niya magpa-family picture. I don't wanna do this. I wanna get out of this place. I hate this country.
What the hell?
I hate the country!
I wanna stay in
Fucking
Italy.
shit, eh.
I wanna stay in Italy. I wanna hate this country. Sabi ko, you know what?
I hate the country! So dumb
You know what?
in the fucking hat.
Sabi ko, you know what? I hate this content too, but please behave, man. God damn, sabi ko gano'n.
Nah, bro, dapat validate mo siya, okay? Dapat sabi mo, yes, that's my brother right. My cousin right there. Dapat
Hindi,
ganun mo.
pamana na yun. Inaanak ko yun.
Tapos sinabi mo, I'ma go with you na, bro.
Tama yan.
Ah, dyan, Gian, may papatok ba dyan, Gian? Wala, no?
Wala, man. Like,
Walang mga New
everyone
Year,
just-
ano?
I think dun sa London ay lang, pero
siya ang nagpaputok.
Oh, wow.
hindi rin nga
wow.
eh. Hindi nga rin eh. Like,
What the fuck, man?
kumain.
What the fuck,
Dude,
man?
like,
You
nabusog
made it
lang ako.
awkward, bro.
This Christmas, like, honestly, like, I actually had fun this Christmas and New Year.
Ah.
Like, yung Christmas, like, yung mga pinsan kasi ni Andeng dito, mahilig sila magpalaro.
Oh, shit.
Okay, pag Christmas. Pero like, mga ka-age na natin to, okay? And then we did like a quiz. Ano yan?
Quiz
like
bee.
a Quizmas.
Ah,
Quizmas.
Quizmas.
Oh, parang quiz bee. And then, ang dami mga tanong. And then, obviously, I sucked because I didn't get anything, you know? Kasi I'm a weeb. So, mga tanong is about music, about this, like, about fucking Christmas movies like The Grinch or Home Alone, which I totally forgot. Wala na akong memory doon. Funnily enough, I actually watched The Grinch and Home Alone right after yung
Nung
yung
palaro.
quiz bee na yun. Also, na-expose ako dun sa putang inang, ano yung trend na yun yung, Utang tatay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos aanin mo yung,
Ah, yun na,
Yung
yung
ano yun.
sinasabi.
yung
Yan,
yes,
pu,
Didi,
pu,
yes,
pu,
Didi,
pu.
yes, Didi, yes,
Ay, ay,
Didi.
Ay.
That was the only thing that I nailed. Everyone else failed. I nailed everything, you know.
Damn,
So, I
bro.
don't know why. Wala, yun lang. Kami, nag-Christmas kami, and then yung New Year, kumain na kami. We ate so much fruit. That's it. Naglaro kami ng
Umamuso eh.
Nag-MTG kami. Nag-MTG
Oh.
kami. Holy shit. Nag-MTG kami nung Christmas. Holy fuck. Dun, pinaranas ako sa nila yung 2 to 3 hours na laro kasi nag-board wipes kami.
Damn,
Like,
bro.
Holy fuck. That was
Dito
good.
wala na nag-MTG.
Na-enjoy na. Na-enjoy nila gago. You guys fell off. Fuck you guys for not
Wala
playing
na,
MTG anymore.
Wala na yung MTG dito, eh.
Oh
Tapos yung era na
yeah,
yan.
when I was in Batangas,
Wala
I
namang
tried to like
mga cards eh.
I tried to like teach MTG to the people, yung mga cousin ko. I
Oh, what happened?
teach at least 2 people. The other guy is very bad at math and he cannot understand the concept of
counters.
mana value. Mana value, yeah. Hindi niya ma-understand yung kasi I don't know, he's very poor at understanding numbers. But anyway, it's kind of annoying rin na
So it's not autistic enough, man.
It's not this enough, bro.
it's kind of annoying that sobrang normie ng mga tao sa amin. Like most of my cousins are very normie. Like it's annoying. Like they're so normie. They try to ridicule my hobbies. Like parang
Nerd!
parang nagtuturo ako parang they try to ridicule what I do. It's like but in the back of my mind it's like what the fuck is this? What the fuck are these? What the fuck are these uncultured swines talking about? How dare they they fucking ridicule me like this?
Maybe it's the way you taught them, bro.
No. It's just them. Like yung pamilya ko, yung magpipinsan, it's just like them. They like to ridicule stuff that they don't understand, and that's why I kind of hate like going to these family reunions na sa kanila. Like I would prefer to like go to Christmas party ng girlfriend ko just to rather than going home to
Doon
Batangas.
sa
just to get- But I kind of appreciate yung mga pinsan ko na naturuan ko ng because they love the MTG nung tinuro ko sa kanila.
Pero syempre, pagka naging kalaban na nila si Binky, may hate na nila.
Oh,
ulit.
yeah.
They'll never
Pull
play
tayo na.
that shit again.
Open ni
Hindi ko
Binky.
kami magamit sa kanila yung bubble flowers. Like, no, don't use that. Yeah, just use these cards. This is tame. This is pretty tame.
Dude, y'all should play again. Kailan ba yung huling laro niya? Kayo? Like, fucking, si Ken, hindi nyo
Balina,
pala tuturuan.
hindi ko
Yung mga
na-
editors, bibigyan na yata ng deck ni Royce.
Ni Royce,
yung editors.
si Ira.
Oh,
Huling laro
gago.
ko ata, yung housewarming mo, eh.
Oh my God.
been
What
months,
the fuck
bro.
did you guys do? Tangina. Bumisita kasi kayo sa lumaki na nga yung Rogue's Passage. Hindi na pa kayo bumisita doon.
Hindi pa.
No.
Na
Ako no.
expand na yun. Damn, y'all should fucking play again.
La pera
Hindi,
pambili
nag-spell
ng
table pa, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi na rin?
Di na
Man,
rin.
y'all fell off. Holy
Damn, bro.
shit, dude. Tangina.
Nah, bro,
Wala
it's
na
just-
kasi,
it just
wala
got
na
old,
nagaya
oh.
eh.
It
Ikaw
just got
manahimik
old.
ka Ken, okay? You don't even play. You
Wala
fuck.
ka naman
Dito,
deck.
wala nga naglalaro kaya
Wala
paano
akong deck.
maglalaro?
Wala
Hindi
Oh,
naman
yeah,
sa
yeah,
kanila.
yeah,
Yeah. It's more
Wala.
like wala akong oras maglaro ng MTG ngayon.
Asa yung deck ni
Okay,
Ken?
bro.
Tara maglaro.
Asan yung
Oo,
deck
asan
ni
deck?
Ken?
Eh, puta, nangihiram nga ako eh.
Puta, ang dami ko iniwan na deck dyan. May Kaiser deck ako dyan. May Merfolk deck ako dyan. Puta, use it, man. Holy
Damn, bro.
shit. Alright.
Nagbobola na yung mga tao dito.
New era.
Mahirap pre.
Okay, speaking of Christmas din, did you guys watch any Christmas movies?
No.
At all?
Hell na.
Wala, none. I just wanna say na parang, holy shit, na parang na Mandela effects ako ng todo dun sa Home Alone.
Bakit?
Kasi I didn't think it was that good.
That's fucking nice.
It's good.
It was actually super nice. Like, dude, yung ano niya, yung orchestration of music and then everything else. Akala ko parang literally it's just Dennis the Menace doing fucking traps sa sa house niya. Turns out it was actually deeper. Parang ang daming nangyari bago yun. Siguro like yung nakikita lang natin ng mga memes sa
Ano niya set up niya?
Home Alone was just like 20% of the fucking movie, which is somewhere on the end of it. The rest is like, okay, may malaking pamilya pala sila, tapos naiwan siya kasi parang winish niya sana na kasi ginagago siya ng pamilya niya. And then, I thought he was like a witty son of a bitch sa simula. Hindi pala. He was like a pussy ass bitch. Tapos parang, na lang niya. Hinipe niya lang yung sarili niya to be better. Parang ganun. So, it was actually pretty good. Ang ganda nung, ang ganda nung pacing. I'm like, what? I didn't remember it like this. And also yung parang, yung pagpapahirap dun sa dalawang gago na
Sa magnanakaw.
ano yan? Yung mga magnanakaw. Akala ko mas marami pa.
Dalawa lang sila.
Turns out yung memory ko pala parang nag-ipon-ipon yung sa Home Alone 1, 2 and I don't know kung may 3. Mabilis lang pala yun. Mabilis lang lahat ng mga
There was a
pangyayari.
3, but it was a piece of shit movie.
Siya pa rin ba yun?
So nag-ipon-ipon
No.
lang. And then ang feeling ko isang pinakamalaking revelation sa akin is pinanood ko yung The Grinch ni Jim Carrey.
Ayun, hindi ko pa napapanood.
Dude, I had like a super vague memory of The Grinch. Pero after watching it, like, mas lalong tumaas yung parang admiration ko kay Jim Carrey. At the same time though, like, it was so good. Ang ganda rin ng The Grinch. Putang ina, like, it could hold its own sa parang movies, like, sa generation natin. And that was like, what, 2000?
2000.
Dude, that was on, dude, what the fuck? 2000, ang ganda na nung, the effects and everything. It was so good.
Yeah, the Grinch the
And-
Grinch movie is timeless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And dun ko rin na-realize kasi pinanood namin ni Anding yun. I'm like, holy shit. I think I found the reason why I'm an autistic motherfucker. It was because of Jim Carrey, bro.
Nah, bro. Nanood ka lang ng Mr. Bean.
Nah, bro. No. Mas maybe that and Jim Carrey, bro. Like, I feel like, yung mga ibang mannerisms ko, feeling ko nakuha ko sa puki ng inang yun.
I've said it before, and I've said it again.
Yeah.
I am not gonna expose my children to fucking Jim Carrey and Mr. Bean.
Dude, I feel like, honestly, like, oh my God, dude. Yung nakita ko yun, si Jim Carrey, like, oh God, I think I know, alam ko na kung sino yung yung i-blame ko kung bakit naging ganito ako. It was all those Jim Carrey movies, bro.
Ace
Watching The
Ventura.
Mask, watching Ace Ventura, watching fucking, sino yun yung si Bruce Almighty, king inang yan. And The Grinch.
I think the only reason why,
Dude, I fucking love the energy of The Grinch, man. That is
Yeah.
me, bro. Like, tangina.
I think the only reason why
Sobrang
you try to like
spiteful niya
diba?
doon sa mga gago. I love it.
Hey, I think the only reason why you try to like imitate those kind of people, yung mga ganun si Jim Carrey, Mr. Bean, it's just you want to be funny as well, but in turn you're just getting bullied at it because you're acting
Yeah,
weird
I
or
know.
some shit.
You're acting like a piece of shit. But I love how unapologetically fucking Jim Carrey is being Jim Carrey. You know? Yung ano ko. He's really good. Anyways, yeah, I agree. I will never expose my children to Jim Carrey and or Mr. Bean sa pag nabuhay man sila. Okay. Fuck that. Yeah, yun lang yung nangyari sa akin, I guess, for New Year and Xmas. But going back to our supposedly topic, which is Fuck You 2026, can we look back a bit sa what are the
Fuck You
best things na nangyari
2026?
on 2025?
5.
I mean, 2020. Fuck You 2025. Tangina, inunahan ko na. Sorry guys, putang ina. Wala, I failed day 1 of 2026. Bawi na lang 2027.
Ayaw agad.
2025! Best things that happened sa tingin nyo. Oh, on the top, like, we went to Thailand, bro. And
Thailand.
we had that-
Hell yeah,
we had
putang
that-
na.
Yeah, well, we
Best
had
thing
that
ever, bro.
moment. Yeah, that was the best thing ever. I feel like may irreparable damage sa utak ko yung nangyari sa akin sa Thailand.
Yung pak.
Ayun, si
For
Nilo.
some reason, like, parang,
He's still dealing with
I
it,
feel
bro.
like-
Irreparable
Yeah,
damage.
he's alam mo yung nangyari dun sa Don't Scream? Yung parang kada pag namamatay si...
Tatawa ka.
Tawa ako na tawa, di ba? I don't know, di ba nung time na nasa dun tayo sa rooftop na Thailand?
Oh.
Tawa ako ng tawa kay Neil.
Naiyak ka pa
Kasi
nga,
every
hayop
time,
eh.
parang, dude, kasi like, si Neil kasi, dun yung sa Thailand tayo, yung parang yung sabog na si Neil, puta, bigla na lang gaganon siya. Uy! Gaganon siya.
Na out of
matutumba.
balance ako, yeah.
Tapos puta, matitrigger ako, matatawa ako, tapos iyak ako sa tawa. Eh, dun sa Don't Scream, nagiging ganun din siya, di ba? Gaganon lang siya. Uy! Gagdalapa na lang siya. Something in my fucking mind like just gets triggered na parang,
This
like,
sa pamilya.
this triggers a good memory for me. Parang alam mo yun. Kaya tawa ko ng tawa. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Thailand was good. Did we go anywhere else? Did we do anything else together no 2025?
Nag-ano tayo,
No.
nag-outing nga tayo.
Ah, yeah,
Oh yeah,
yung-
we did that outing dun sa ano sa
Sa nagsasa-
Oh, yeah.
sa nagsasa,
I kinda
with
forgot
Khalil
about
and the
that.
editors. Yeah, that was cool. Ano pa ba? What else? Looking back, how many fucking videos did we upload this year? I don't even know. If anything, I think this year we uploaded more than
Compared to last year, yeah.
what we were
Last
used to
year.
compared to last year. So that's an improvement. Okay. Ano pa ba? Did we do anything na Pinoy Strice other than the camping?
Karting?
No, that was,
that was
this
last-
year? No,
that was
no,
last
no.
2020.
that was
2014
2021 pa yun.
Ah,
2024.
2024. 2024. Puta, 2014.
2021.
So wala masyado.
2014,
no?
bro.
2014 pa yun gaga. So wala masyado.
Wala masyado, okay.
Well, ito, lumipat na tayo sa
Pampanga.
Si Ken, nasa Pampanga na tayo. We escaped Mordor.
Sinusundan nyo ako.
QC. Okay, sinundan natin yun. Ano pa ba? Oh yeah, MTG happened. We got fucked by MTG. Okay. Ewan ko lang ngayon. Ako ngayon, I'm still being fucked by MTG.
I'm still good, pero hindi to the point na katulad nyo nila Royce, nila Rin na
Yeah, Roy. Si Royce
parang,
gago puta.
Ama po! Ama! Di ba? Like may sariling LGS na sila.
I feel like I ruined their lives, bro. Si Rain tapos si Royce, holy shit. Pero they're doing good.
Ako isang deck lang, bro.
Bumili na nga ng ng printer para puta nagpiprint na ng proxies yung mga gago.
Oh my gosh.
Those
Ako,
fuckers,
nelibor ka lang, yun lang. Buti na ano ko siya, alam mo yun, na-maintain ko.
Asan yung Torquir
yun
mo? Di ba
lang.
may Torquir
Ah, may ano
deck
ako,
ka?
may Torquir ako. Thank you so much sa Angeles, si Sir...
Naku,
Yan,
nakalimutan.
putang ina. Nako po.
Naobobo ko sa pangalan. Sir Ron, yes. Sa, ano yun?
Mag and Magic?
Mag and Magic, yun. Mag and Magic.
Nako.
Mag and Magic.
Strike 2.
Nakita niyo yan, sir?
Tagal ko nang hindi, tagal ko nang hindi nag-MTG eh.
Kahit naman ako.
Kahit na, wala pang isang taon ni.
Tayo rin nangyari sa akin, alam, maalala ko lahat.
Ayun, MTG happened. Si Neil, napunta kung saan-saan. Dahil dun sa,
and
what the fuck was that?
stress, depressed
Oh,
ako
what
sa puking inang visa. Yeah.
Don't worry about that, man. We're
Hey,
thinking about the good things.
We're thinking about the good things. Okay.
Yeah, nalipad nila Sir Ryan, MU, Tango Play
Oh
Park.
shit!
Yeah, sumunod si Gloco na parang Pampanga lang.
Yeah, that did happen. That was fun. That was fun as well. Ano ba? That was like early in the year din, no? Hindi.
July. Ay, hindi. Tayo pala July ata. Yun ata mga April or I don't know.
Yeah. Anything else this 2025?
Ano ba, grupo ba or personal?
I mean group or anything na parang ano.
I represent the Philippines! Kahit di nyo
Damn,
sinuportahan, tangina nyo. Yes.
Ano yun?
Puta ka na,
Ayaw
paano
ko.
ako susuportahan?
Kahit chatman lang na, oy, good luck dyan. Wala. Yes.
Puta ka na!
Alam mo na yun. Okay.
Taka na!
Alam mo na yun.
Alam
This fucking guy.
Alam mo na yun. Okay, alam mo na yun.
Kilala ko na kayo, pero I expected din, okay, na, oh, shit,
Ulol.
Oh lol! Taka na! I literally told you nung sinabi mo pumunta ka ng Indonesia. Fuck, start on these hoes, bro! Ano?
Puta, sinabi
Hindi,
natin.
ako nanalo ako, pero sila.
Ano, panalo
Umuwi
mo
ka
yung
sana
top
ng...
prize. Puta, what the fuck,
Oo,
bro.
kung inuwi mo sana yung $10 million.
Siglo ako,
puta,
pinagtawanan
sana.
pa ako eh. Second place, tapos
Try nil,
tinawanan
my
pa ako.
friend. Try nil, my friend, sana yun.
Grabe, nagtawa na eh.
Nalaman lang na pumunta ako noon nung tapos na eh. Tapos tinanong, ano nangyari? Tangina mo! Sumuporta ka kasi. Lang yan na yan.
Ano gagawin?
Diba?
Damn.
Pero yeah, yun. Okay lang. It is what it is.
Nice.
Puta, sana all, no?
Pupunta ka na this, ano na ba? Punta ka ng tutuloy. Damn, what the fuck what the Ragnar doing, bro?
What? Nakakatulog ah.
Yan.
costume.
Nagbabayad pa yun na renta, ha?
Natulog
Nagbabayad
yung
pa na
boss.
renta yan.
Parang naka-costume na.
Natulog.
Wow, pag si Chuchi na ganyan sa kama, ano yun na ano. Hindi pwede
Natulog eh.
sa kama si Chuchi.
Yan na. Sarap. Sa buhay ng kahit na to.
Tik na yan.
Ano yung mga, bigyan mo, i-prank mo, bigyan mo ng ano, sinelas, sasabihin mo, may tumatawag. Tayo mo nga. Ano ka?
Gisingin mo para matulog.
Ay, Chris, gawa tayong short yung naka-video call si Ragnar sa Chuchi, nagtitinginan lang sila. Tatapat mo.
What the fuck ako nga, no? Magtawag
Yeah, do
ka.
that shit, bro.
Gawin niyo yun. I swear, gawin niyo yun. Gawin niyo yun. Mag-video call silang dalawa. Tatawag yun.
Dun. Tapos minsan may si Chuching, chinelas, ganyan. Si Ragnar, iba yung naka sa bibig.
Yeah, I swear,
Binigyan agad
gawin
kita,
niyo.
pre.
Gawin niyo, serious.
Binigyan agad kita ng shorts, pre.
See, that's
Ng
like
reels.
unli content, you know? Unli content. Hack,
Yeah, unli content, bro.
I don't think Ragnar can hold anything in his mouth.
Ano mo lang, kahit
No, hindi lang.
nakatitig lang
Pakinggan
sila
mo lang.
ganyan.
Tututok mo lang.
Tutok lang.
Tatawag si Chuchi, tapos si response si Ragnar.
Nakatitig lang niya.
So I wanna see what they're gonna say, bro. For that 1 minute, I wanna see what they're gonna do.
Are,
Kung mababaliw ba si hindi. Tama.
5 minutes. Buhay na.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Hindi na tayo nakapag
Di na tayo
I
naka-ano
mean,
eh.
what?
Nakamove.
What?
Di pa natatanong
We're
iba.
still asking about the, ikaw, Ken. Tatanong ko kayo, ano pa ba? Ken, ikaw, what happened to you?
Sino masaya? Siguro yung Ayun, Thailand? Ano pa ba? Yung 27 yun, masaya yun, yung 27. Wala, puro pain
Siyempre,
and suffering
nagpa-jenga
yung...
tayo nun eh.
Nag-jenga tayo
Nagsumayaw ka
nun,
nun eh.
Puro pain and
Jenga,
suffering yung
Legit.
last year ko. Kahit
Before
literally
27,
fuck you,
buti nabili ko yun. Wala
Buti
tayong
nabili mo yun.
gagawin.
I feel like you said the
Oo.
same thing on 2024.
Basta, wala pa ako year. Sana this is my year, okay? Please.
Something needs to change, okay? Something needs to
Fucking
change.
hell, bro.
Para this is our year,
This is Ken's
okay?
year, bro.
Hopefully,
2026, this is Ken's year, bro.
Please, 2026, be good to me. Bading!
Well, ang W ko
Grabe
lang
ka
yung...
na 2026.
Kalalaking tao, nang
Ano yung double ba?
Nagpo-photo bump.
Nag-happy niya year.
Happy New Year!
Ken, ano yun? What was that?
And
Yung...
isa pa yung pinaka ko. Well, kinda bad and a good thing kasi nalagaan ako ng Jeff ko kasi ilang break siya sa school, sa work niya. Kaya thank you, love.
Yung.
And yun lang,
Oh,
okay.
shit. Okay.
Yun lang.
Tapos
Nice.
nag-fountain
Konti
tayo
lang na.
dito. Yun.
Ay, nag-fountain kami yan, yung New Year.
Akala natin mahina.
Happy New Year! Tagulat,
Akala
takbuhan
natin
kami.
mahina yung fountain. Nagtakbuhan kami.
Putang inang yun. And that's it.
Makikita nyo yun.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay,
Konti lang
John,
sa akin,
anything for 2025?
2025? Di ko alam eh.
Yeah,
Wala
man.
masyadong nangyari. Wala masyadong nangyari eh. Ano ba?
Stop doing that.
Oh shit! I think this year yung kotse ko, this year yung kotse ko.
Ayun nga, yan.
No,
It
This
was
year ba
like
yung kotse mo?
January? I think it was January, bro.
Ayun ba? This year ba yun?
Yeah, I
Dude, I
think.
feel like you've had
Parang
it for
2 years
like
na yan, what the
longer.
hell?
Yeah.
No,
1 year.
Saglit
1
lang,
year.
pa 1 year pa
Akin
lang.
yung 2 years. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yan, nauna si
Ano
Nino.
na, has it been?
Yeah, bro. It's only
Whoa.
pa 1 year pa. Okay, pa 1 year pa. Ano pa? Thailand. That shit was amazing, bro. Kung may gugustuhan na akong pupuntang vacation area, it's probably just Thailand, bro. Ayoko na
Oh, bro,
mag-Boracay.
Taiwan. We need Taiwan, bro.
Nah, bro.
Ay,
Bro,
I feel
kasi,
like-
bro, we need
Thailand.
Taiwan, bro.
Thailand, bro.
I
Puta
feel like
na
kaya
yung
nyo
weed.
mag...
Wow!
Bro. Na Taiwan, bro.
Okay.
Taiwan, bro.
Feeling ko mag-Vietnam kayo.
Na, bro. Taiwan muna, bro.
Patunayan nyo na sobrang mura sa Vietnam. I swear to God, bro.
No, bro.
Doon tayo mag
Kung
500
gondola.
pesos.
Okay.
Doon tayo mag 500 pesos. Noche buena.
Challenge, oo.
Oo. Sa
Kung gusto
Thailand.
yung mag-milyonaryo agad, Indonesia, pre.
Putang na, milyonaryo
bro.
agad.
1 million rupiah. Bayaran mo na lahat ng utang mo.
Magkano yun in pesos?
3.5.
Magkano yun in pesos? 3.5.
Magkano yung mga
Dude,
bilihin
I
doon?
feel like-
Pabili po, Coke, 200k po. Tangina.
Na, bro, like, not gonna lie, let's say for example, bili ka lang ng rupya, di ba? Lagyan mo lang sa isang parang Gcash deal or bangko, di ba? Tapos hintayin mo lumago yung ekonomiya ng
Indonesia.
To the point na yung magiging 1:1 yung USD tapos yung
Paldo.
rupya.
Nah,
Di ba?
bro.
Paldo.
I don't even
na,
need,
hindi mo
already.
I don't even need to ask. I think kaya nangging ganun kasi nung nakita nila na, oh shit, we're having problems with money. Well, how do we solve this? We print more money. Ganun ginawa nila.
Let's
Gab.
print more money.
Oo.
Bigger denominations.
Kasi, ang ano sa Indonesia is doble yung population nila dito sa Pinas. Yes.
What?
Oh, mas marami pala sila.
Yes, doble.
I didn't know
Yes.
that.
Mas
Dahil
marami
kung
sila.
mas
Eyeball.
marami
80
sila.
million tayo, hindi mas marami sila pala.
36 million sila. Search
Damn.
mo, idol. Totoo yan.
Pero mas malaki.
Bro, parang
Mas malaki
research
ba
siya.
yung Pinas kaysa sa
Mas malaki
Indonesia?
ang Indonesia. Pero hiwa-hiwalay sila. May mga sarili-sarili silang parang hari or ganyan.
Walang hari sa Indonesia.
Hindi
Ay,
hari
wala
Hindi
ka.
hari.
Presidente
parang,
nasa presidente
hindi,
doon.
hindi presidente. Basta may
Presidente.
ano rin sila.
Like
May
mga
kanya-kanya
prince,
ano
ganun
rin sila.
Walang monarch ang Indonesia.
Ay, may mga sultan sila, ganun.
Wala!
Parang gano'n. Parang, ewan ko, sinabi sa akin Parang gano'n
Walang monarch ang
Ay,
ano.
hari. Parang hari. Hari.
Wala kang hari.
Hindi president Hindi president ba tawag?
Emperor, ano ba?
Prime Minister, ano ba?
Prime Minister. Parang gano'n. Yes.
Wala.
Hindi ba, Chris?
Ano ba system nila?
Mali eh. Binobobo ko nung tourist guide.
Oo, gago, ginugod time ka. Ginugod.
Ito kailangan mo maintindihan, okay? Walang monarchy, walang royalty sa Indonesia, pero maraming different sultans na nandun.
Yan, sultans! Sabi mo hindi! Di ba? Yun, tama pala.
Yun yung like
Tama
local
pala eh.
areas lang siya, like dun
Yeah,
sa
yeah.
dun sa Java, dun sa may isa pang marami silang island eh. Basta yung pinaka main island nila nasa Jakarta.
So,
Yes.
basically, barangay captain ako. Marami silang barangay captain ako. Marami din tayo niyan. Marami din.
Marami rin tayo.
Marami din sa
Congressman,
Pilipinas.
mayor, ganun. Pero nung umano ako doon, parang Manila lang rin. Well, minsan,
I told
mas
you, man,
mainit
Indonesia
pa ron.
is our
Yeah.
cousins, bro.
Kahit Thailand nga rin eh. Parang Manila, parang Tondo lang.
Thailand,
Philippines na.
parang
Manila lang.
Manila lang rin. Pero, ano kasi siya, city kasi siya eh. So, if punta kang Bali, medyo sa pinakadulo nung medyo dulo.
Bali is
Bali,
everything, man.
Gentrified na.
Para siyang Palawan or more.
Like legit
ganun.
sobrang mura ng sobrang mura ng villa. If you're like gonna go to
Yes.
Bali. Kaya ang ganda ng tourism industry ng Bali is
Dito, tourism, inaano nung isa eh. Siya daw yung tourist dito. Siya daw yung tourism dito.
Damn, Chris, napunta ka
Inaano
lang
yung
pala
mukha
ng
niya?
Bali, Chris eh.
Anol.
No,
Yung secret-
I haven't gone to Bali. It's just that I know that Bali has a good tourism industry.
Dito
Yun
sa Pinas,
Yun yung honeymoon area. Eh.
yeah, dito sa Pinas, hindi tourism yung yung parang tawag dito, binebenta eh. Yung mukha nung secretary, hindi ko kilala kung sino.
Sino yun?
Wala na,
Kaya
bagsak na yung
sobrang
tourism
baba
natin.
ng tourist dito sa Pinas eh.
Bagsak na yung tourism
Dude, there's
dito.
literally
ah.
nothing, bro. Bagsak na tourism ng Pinas.
Hindi kasi
and
nga
people
yung
are slowly realizing.
legit, may
Yung presyo.
siya, nagba-viral
Presyo
na
kasi nung
yung
Hindi yun
secretary.
hindi yun yung reason
yung
kung
mukha
bakit
niya.
bumababa. Yeah, I know, pero hindi na rin yun yung reason ng kung bakit mababa yung tourism ng
Mataas
Pinas.
din yung
Hindi nga binebenta.
It's ridiculous, pero at the same time, like, honestly, let's just be real here. There's literally nothing to do in PH anymore, bro. There's literally
Well, yung mga
nothing of
Isla,
good value to do in the Philippines other than Palawan, okay? Which is
Palawan,
Palawan, putang mahal na
Boracay.
rin. King ina, ang mahal, lahat mahal. Putang ina, magbiyahe ka
Siargao,
dito,
ginawa
mahal.
ng
Mahal.
sobrang mahal.
Gentrified na as
Yung
fuck.
ticket sa Siargao, mas mura pa yung Taiwan. So, syempre, yung iba, talagang Taiwan, ganyan, di ba?
No, seriously, people are starting to realize that there's just literally nothing to go back to in the Philippines, you know?
No, it's the people, bro. Yung experience, oh eh. But it's expensive.
What?
Mag-GT
Value
tricycle,
ano
oh eh. What the fuck, man?
No, like, okay, list down some things na sa tingin mo is like worth it for the Philippines na bibisita ka sa Pinas.
You know, if you're like
Yeah.
a nature-loving freak like someone, and like dito, if you want to experience Filipino culture, like go fucking Philippines.
Why
But,
would you want to experience Filipino culture?
Filipino culture is
What
like
culture, Chris?
It's like a no. Let's be real here, okay? The only reasons why like sobrang gusto medyo gusto ng mga tao pumunta sa Pilipinas is because the people here are very friendly to foreigners. That's it. Unlike other countries.
Huh,
na-
yes, friendly. Yeah, our hospitality,
bro.
right, Chris?
Yeah.
That's what they go here, right? That's what the white people go here for, yeah? The hospitality, yeah? Yeah? Lalo dito sa Pampanga, no?
Tama, tama.
Bro, ito literally kwento sa akin ni Deng Chan to, okay?
What?
Kwento ni Deng Chan to sa akin. Like, recently lang, like, fucking probably yesterday.
Ano pala liwanag dyan?
Kwento niya.
Okay, sige, tuloy.
Kasi it's pataas pa lang yung araw. Okay. So, may pasyente si Deng Chan. Okay. Taga-UK. Okay, puti. Then, tinanong siya, like, where are you from? Tinanong si Deng Chan. Sabi na niya, Philippines. Tapos sabi nung white guy, oh yeah, I've been there. I've been to Manila before. And then, tinanong ni Deng Chan, well, nag-rapport lang. So, what did you do in Manila? Tapos sabi nung puti,
What the fuck? Good
okay,
shit.
for the podcast listeners, hindi good shit. Well, you can call it good shit, pero gumanon siya. Oh.
Di ko gets.
Bakit?
Nang buntes,
Like-
tapos umalis. Ganyan.
Oh, kung tatalimot.
What the fuck? Kala ko iba. What the fuck?
It's open to interpretation, pero like she was talking to like some kind of old man. Like ano pa ba, di ba? Ano pa? What the hell?
Di ko gets yung
Manila
ganun.
isn't.
Wala.
Manila is.
Kalimot.
Kakasabi niya lang eh. Ang ninil na karaya.
Nagsogo siya, okay? Nag-Victoria's Secret sila gago.
Nagsogo siya.
Ah.
Nag-Victoria's Secret sila.
Yan kasi
Victoria's
yung
Secret.
ano, oo. Okay.
Victoria Lounge. Ano yun? Yung ano yun?
Victoria Lounge, okay.
It's either you get, in the Philippines you get sexters or an eco what do you call those? I don't fucking know. Eco hipsters. Yeah.
Pero pag inisip mo
It's
kasi
more of
mabuti,
like,
it's, like,
okay.
it's cheap here, bro. Like some stuff are cheap. Some stuff are still cheap.
Dito sa atin.
Yeah, but
Kumpara
like,
sa
what
kanila.
does
Sa
what,
kanila.
Parang the way I'm seeing this is, what does Philippines have that other neighbors don't have and can do better and cheaper? Diba? When it comes to like nature, fucking Indonesia probably has better. Dude, Vietnam probably has better fucking
Beach.
like nature stuff than us. Than ours. I've seen their beaches, parang literally parang Palawan lang rin, and mas mura doon. So, anong meron sa atin?
I think it's
Diba?
more of like an
That
experience. Kasi
Vietnam can do.
I think it's more of like an experience of like going to the Philippines. It's kasi hindi naman tayo katulad ng ibang bansa na we have other options. Sa kanila, they could go to like Philippines or Indonesia and Vietnam whenever they want and whenever they can, di ba? Like options,
Yeah.
like I'm gonna go to the Philippines and next time I'm gonna go to Vietnam. Ganun lang. It's more of like maraming options lang sa mga ano. We're not white people.
it's like
who has,
a-
like a
so-
lot of ano.
So it's like a one-off thing, no? Na parang, okay, just for the sake of like finally experiencing what Philippines is like, okay, let's go. Let's visit Cebu. Ganyan.
Eh, parang
Mga
ganun
ginagawa
lang.
ng mga Koreans, diba?
Maraming options.
Pero wala tayong ano, kumbaga, if we were a video game, wala tayong replay value, you know?
Exactly, bro. Kaya bumabagsak ka.
I mean, I agree. Like, dude, like Philippines is probably a very convenient place to visit kasi everyone talks in English. Like, marunong naman lahat. Like, approachable
mahirapan
naman
nila.
lahat.
It's
Pero like,
very
other
easy to
than
be a
that,
tourist here. Yeah, it's very easy to be
yeah,
a
it's
tourist.
super, not really in terms of like fucking infrastructures and transportation. Pero when
Yun
it comes to
lang,
like
yun lang.
mingling with people, ang
It's
madali.
very easy. It's very easy.
Oh, it's very easy. But other than that, that's it. Like, we got no replay value. Like, you wouldn't go back. You experience fucking this and that, and then that's it. You don't go back. Di siya tulad na parang tayo, nakailang beses tayo sa Thailand, di ba?
Isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang.
Wait lang, sorry. My
Tangina
bad.
mo.
Neil.
Check your privilege, man.
Neil, come on.
Silang dalawa.
Ikaw, ilang beses ka na
Wait,
rin.
bro.
Check your fucking
Tatlo
privilege, man.
ata. Tatlo
Sorry,
ata or dalawa.
my bad.
Tatlo or
Slip of the
dalawa.
tongue.
Ganun.
But yeah, like,
Sana
mas nakakaila, like, whenever sasabihin, pupuntang Thailand, I'm excited. Like, oh yeah, let's go.
Ah, yeah.
Or going to Japan, like, parang
Propose
may
ako.
replay value siya, di ba?
PR.
Eh,
Tapos, oh.
Taiwan, di ba? Like, there's replay value for that one too.
Taiwan,
So,
replay value.
There's a replay value in Taiwan.
Ay, wala
Ano
tayong
kasi?
replay value, gagi.
Unang-una, the weather, of course. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
The place, yung hindi makalat, ganyan, lakad ka lang. Tapos the parks, the night, what do you call that? Night, Ano yun, Gloco? Yung mga food sa night.
Nightlife.
Nightlife.
mga night
not
markets.
night market, yan.
Natatawa na lang ako dun sa Taiwan eh. Kasi talagang nagawa pa sila ng sign doon. In Tagalog na bawal magkalat doon. Implying
Translate
na
pa eh.
Ma-imply na mga Pilipino yung mga nagkakalat doon. Di ba?
Ewan ko sa ba't ang init sa Pinas eh. Nakita nga ako.
Geography,
Nakita
man!
nga ako. Paano daw pag nag-ano, sa Tondo tapos nag-i-snow daw. Tapos may mga reels na shorts.
Ano yung shorts nila? Like, naka-ano?
Naka-ano
Nakahubad pa
sila,
rin.
naka-jacket sila, ganyan.
Maybe there is, bro. Maybe there is replay dito, you know.
What's the replay value, bro? Other than
We just
poverty
couldn't
porn.
comprehend. We just cannot comprehend kasi we live here, you know.
Yeah, baka poverty porn, pre.
Medyo bias tayo. It's the colonial mentality.
Yeah.
It's,
I think may narinig na ako one time na, damn, pupunta kami dyan para
parang-
magbakasyon. And then they be like, what the fuck? There's nothing to fucking do here. Gaganon nila. And then you can think of everything that you can do there.
Siguro kasi inisip lang natin
Hindi,
Manila
okay,
lang
okay.
eh. Paano pag province, di ba? Pag ano...
Like, parang if you've experienced the province, you've experienced it all na rin eh. Kinda.
Not really. No, that's wrong. Kasi
Yeah.
every other island has its own culture and
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's true.
iba-iba.
I mean,
Iba-iba
what I
pang
mean is
pagkain din.
like, ang inaano natin sa province, di ba? Ang naasam lang naman natin sa province is
Nature.
like, good food,
Yep.
fucking nature,
Mura.
and
It's the
mura.
culture, bro.
Which, like, that's it. That's the trifecta of like a province. provincial life sa ano.
Yeah, but every different
ang
region is a
bonus na
different
lang,
thing, man.
Yeah, different food, different culture, different fucking, what do you call it? Iba yung dialekto nila, iba rin yung mga mannerism sa mga tao. That's it. Pero like...
Have you ever been
I
in
just feel
sinulog?
like it's not really something na parang...
Feeling ko may pagkabias ka kasi nga dito nga nakatira. Tama nga naman.
Tama.
Oo.
Kasi iba,
Hindi naman natin dito sabi yan sa ano eh.
Nakapunta ka na ba ng sinulog
Sa
at
ibang
hatihan
bansa,
at kung ano-ano pang
Oo, yung mga ganun.
Oh,
di ba?
once a year
I
shit.
have,
Ano?
I have.
Si, di ba? Bago gusto
Siguro
nila marinig
like-
yung ano, yung New Year, yung mga...
Oo nga.
Wala sa ganun sa ibang
Tira sila sa ano sa
Mga
high-rise na
motor.
building.
That's the tourist spot, bro!
Tangina, tunog ng kahirapan yun eh.
Eh, yo!
Sakit sa
Mahal-mahal ng upgrade nila doon.
Ano kayo? Ano kayo?
Grabe ka!
Tell me
Mahal-mahal
I'm
ang
not wrong.
upgrade nila sa
Tell me I'm
Tambucho.
not wrong, man. Tell me I'm not wrong.
Gago, may
You're
nag-post
wrong,
nun eh.
bro.
May nag-post nun, no?
Magkano?
Anong
Magkano? Sige nga,
kahirapan?
magkano? Magkano yung putang inang in-upgrade nila doon? Sige nga.
Mga 100k, kaya 150k.
100k. Exactly why mahirap pa rin sila. Kasi
Oh!
bakit nila nilalagyan ng tambucho kung hindi, ba't di nila gamitin yun para sa pag-invest sa ibang
Big bike, oh, sa big bike.
Di mo ba
Ah,
nakita
totoo.
yung mga ano, yung mga nagpo-post ng video pag may dumadaang mga motor na open pipe?
Ang ingay, gago.
Ang gagaling!
Right.
Ayun yung nasa,
Tingnan nga.
yun yung nasa utak nila.
Ito, alam mo yung ano, like, tinanong ko yung ano ko, yung mekaniko ko na, yung, nakilala niyo si Raven, di ba? You've seen that guy, right? Okay. So, tangin, may ginawa nga siyang ano eh, yung meme recently, yung sa bench. Anyways, so I asked him, like, bro, sinend ko yung pinost nyo, yung putang, yung pinost ni Royce na Tambucho versus Tambucho. Like, didikitan, parang alam mo yung mukha na yung aso na nagkak tapos hindi na mahiwalay yung puwet. Ganun yung itsura. Tapos maya magsusuntukan sila. I'm like, sinend ko sa kanya yun. Bro, I need an expert insight. What the fuck is going on here? Ano yung pinaglalaban nila? Kasi ang tagal ko na rin iisip, ano yan?
Yeah, ano ba ginagawa
And
nila?
then ang sagot niya, ito yung sagot niya. Tapatan ng tambucho yan, papi. Paingayan. Unang bibigay na makina.
What the fuck? Gusto mo sirain yung ano mo?
Yeah, di mo ba nakita yung ano, yung isang reel? May nag-aanuhan tapos may lumabas na ano, may lumabas na may gasolina. Ginanon niya sa isang motor na sunog.
Putang ina.
Legit.
Kung hindi bibigay yung makina, I'll do it myself. Putang ina
What
ka.
the fuck?
Legit may reel na gano'n.
That's kind
So
of
ganun,
stupid, though.
paingayan at pabigayan ng makina. I have no idea
So
how
gusto
you
nila
judge that
maggumastos.
shit.
What the fuck?
So fucking literally,
Napanood
I
ko,
don't know,
mayroon
man.
silang ano eh, yung decibel detector.
How do you know which one's which? Eh, nagtatapatan nga sila. So, naghahalo na yung ingay. Ano
Hindi,
yun, bro?
hindi yung tapatan po yan na yung siraan ng makina. Ang alam ko yung kanya-kanya eh.
Kung hindi nga, alam mo, ang pinaka-the best nga dun eh, putang ina, kinakarga nila yung motor, di ba? Tapos tatapat nila sa mukha. No?
Putang inang yan.
You know,
Doon sa tabi ng bahay mo, nung New Year, sa laki ng ano.
Marami.
Meron, putang ina, tatagay na.
Gago, dapat linabas nyo yung ano, dapat linabas nyo yung super cup.
Ulti na.
Oh, tangina.
Hindi maririnig yun.
Sira
Like,
yung ano.
I swear, like, I see those videos and ang iniisip ko na lang, para hindi ako naninira ng trip. You know, it looks like a fucking festival, you know? Parang once a year, people work hard para maging maingay yung mga FI nila na...
Lang nga ka,
mga
ginawan mo pa ng
mga
festival
raiders.
yung ano.
No, yun nga, that's how I look at it. Okay, para hindi ako panira ng trip. I look at it as some kind of festival that happens every year, which is New Year, where these guys work their best to like modify their motorcycles para bugahin yung sa pagmumukha yung mga kalaban nila. So, the reason why inisip ko siya parang festival, like you know how sa India or dito sa Pinas, like yung Nazareno, nagbabardagulan yung mga tao. Parang ganun lang rin. Sa Japan, like there was like they make these fucking giant ass carts and shit, yung mga floats. Tapos magbubungguan din sila. So parang in hindsight, you see it, like, why the fuck are they doing this? So ganito na rin. Parang mas mabango lang nga lang tingnan yung mga nasa Japan. Tapos kasi dito sa Tambucho Wars ba, yeah, yun na. Wala lang. I'm just
Tambucho Wars.
explaining-
Tambucho
just explaining what
Festival.
this Tambucho Festival is. Please don't make it a thing, guys. Please. Okay, yun lang.
So
Meron pa nga
weird, though.
Meron pa nga
Weird
yung boga.
Ay, dati
Bakit
bata
nga
ako.
ba bawal ang boga?
Tawa ko
Bata
ng
ako,
tawa
ginawa
May
ko na.
Dito sa
may
labas
reels
pwede,
na
putang ina.
may reels na
Mali.
parang sinisira nila yung lahat ng boga.
Boga,
ng mga
okay.
polis. Tapos
Oo,
ang daing illegal na paputok na hindi
Hindi, tinano ko
hindi, na hindi kinumpis ka.
Kala ko may
Anong
boga
bawal
nun
sa
eh.
boga? It's literally
I don't know why.
just fucking a pipe, tapos alcohol.
Kasi sumasabog daw kasi yun eh, ewan ko. Like yung mismong pipe, pwede sumabog sa mukha mo eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit can
Meron nga
cause
drum eh.
first
Drum yung
degree
gamit
burn or
eh.
some shit, you know.
Lata dati gamit ko eh.
Damn.
Are we talking about...
Mga scientist yun, pre.
Boga.
Mga scientist yun. Ako, di ko kayang gumawa nun, pre. Ang tatalino
Ako,
ng gumagawa nun.
Oh, I feel like a huge part of my childhood is nawawala kasi never ako na-experience magpaputok ng boga.
Puta
Ito
sana.
ko isang beses yung hiniram ko. May hiniram ako na parang kalaro ko.
Damn bro, wala kayo nun. Kasama ko
Gago,
pinsan ko
wala. Like,
usually,
never
mga
ako-
pinsan ko kasama ko lagi dyan eh, sa ganyan.
Never ako pinahawakan ng boga yung bata ako. It sucks, bro.
The fuck?
Boga? I'm not against bogas, bro.
Boga, yung ano,
Do you know what
Boga
I'm talking about,
fire.
John?
the canon,
Piccolo Master
parang
Race,
canon.
Yung
Piccolo sa tae.
Piccolo sa tae.
Thank you,
That was like character developing experience. Okay. Pero yung boga, bro. Fuck, man. Those things look fun. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, malaka.
This goes boom.
Mas safe, para sa mas safe kaysa paputok ka, no?
Yun nga. I don't know, man. Like, I don't know why it's bawal. Dahil ba linalagyan nila ng ammo? Like, lalagyan
Hindi,
nila
walang
ng
ammo yun.
cannonball
It's parang
Like,
alcohol
yun, no?
projectile ba yun?
Ano lang,
Yun
parang
nga
alcohol.
eh. Yeah, you spray alcohol, you ignite it,
Tas
it goes boom.
Boom. Ganun yun.
It's fun. It's fucking fun, man. Walang pulbura, wala kang chance of tetano. Unless sobrang bobo mo, isindi mo yung boga sa
Sa mukha mo.
I don't know, man. Like, fucking spray of alcohol isn't that strong.
I think
to,
that's
like,
why na-trigger yung banning of that kasi may mga na-aksidente na.
May napuputukan daw talaga eh. May
Like,
sumasabog.
tinututok sa mukha. Legit.
Ay, putang ina, what
Tutok
the
sa mukha
fuck?
Utang ina mo.
What the fuck?
Grabe na balitaan nyo yung bata, no?
Ayaw,
Yeah,
gago.
that one, bro.
Bro.
Like, ano siya. Yeah, that was fun.
Dalaw sila nun, di ba? Ang nangyari daw doon, nagsindi ata na Piccolo yung kasama niya. Tapos yung pagkasindi nun, pagkaputok ata, nag-ignite
Hindi,
yung sa...
hindi.
not
Ang
sure, bro.
nangyari, may
Yung
ano
Piccolo,
daw,
okay
taga
na,
Bulacan na nagbebenta doon ng parang
Oh,
Goodbye Philippines. Sinindihan nila, hindi pumutok. So, binuhusan nila ng tubig.
Oh,
Tapos yung mga bata, kinuha. Tapos, inignite ulit.
oh, fuck.
Tapos, boom. Sabog
Sumabog
agad.
na.
Yes.
Baka wala
Boom.
nang ano yun, wala nang, may mitya.
Wala nang meat siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Of course. Gumawa sila na. You know what? Like, honestly, like, it just gives me flashbacks of how stupid we were when we were kids. Na parang, kids, by default, wala silang concept kung kaano kadelikado yung ano,
Yeah, oo, yun
mga
rin
pulbura.
talaga.
Eh,
Kasi dati,
delikado.
naalala ko, yung bata kami, nag-ipon din kami ng pulbura eh, para gumawa ng pillbox.
Gagawa
And
pa
then,
sariling
I'm
ano, no? Paputok.
Ikaw,
Oo,
sa
magagawa
paputok.
ng sariling paputok. And then ngayon, parang, holy shit.
Tangin na pa.
We didn't go to that.
Paangasan
Buti
pa kami
kompleto
dati
pa
eh.
mo.
Buti hindi ka naputulan.
Paangasan
Hindi,
pa
may- ano,
mag-aawakan
may-
yung paputok. Kung sino ang malakas sa loob. Gago, legit.
Buti nga ano eh, na, ano yan, like, namulat agad ako dyan, nung bata ako. Like,
Kasi may, ano ka, parang may nakita ka?
May friends ka ba na naputukan
yan,
mo?
experience ko mismo,
Ay, fuck.
na, kasi di ba uso yun, na you feel cool pag hawak mo yung 5-star.
Oo.
Ano, di ba? I'm like, okay, palakasan ng, paangasan lang, di ba? Ako, di ko trinay yun, but there was this one time sa may isa, nagpaputok ako ng 5-star. Kasi usually, di ba, tatanggalin pa natin yung, ano, what do you call
Plastic.
this? Yung wrapper nung, nung mitsa, di ba? Para bumagal. So, ginawa ko yun. I think I did. Tapos, sinindihan ko lang ng, na lighter.
Mabilis.
Oh, within wala pang 1 second, putang ina, sumabog na agad yung 5-star. So doon, natakot
Fuck,
ako
oh
doon.
my God,
Parang
man.
na-shell shock ako doon. Kasi pag gano'n ko, buti na lang malayo yung kamay ko kasi naramdaman ko yung shockwave sa kamay ko. Pero hindi naman masakit. Pero dude, that fucking scarred me, bro. Like na-trauma ako doon. Kaya simula nun, hindi na ako nagpapaputok ng 5-star. And I actually legitly just stay away from firecrackers in general. So yeah, don't do that shit, guys. Not worth it, bro.
One thing pan sa December is yung ano rin, yung pellet gun. If guys, bibili kayo ng
Yun yung aanahin ko eh.
Uso
Yun
pa
yung
rin yata.
aanahin ko next eh.
December, gagawin
Parang-
yung
Diba,
favorite
parang
namin
naging,
eh.
hindi na ba naging kasi nag-upgrade, nakikita kong reels nowadays.
Jelly gun na.
Pellet gun. Oo, yung
Jelly
jelly
na,
gun.
oo.
Which is actually,
Mas safe
bro,
yun.
Yeah.
Mas safe yun daw.
I love that.
Pero-
I love that.
Pero dati nung bata kami, parang ng mga gangster.
Oo, gago
Nag-aabangan
pag
kami sa
December.
labas.
Barilan lahat eh.
Uzi!
Honestly, I think like if we ever have kids, dapat ganun. Okay.
Ah,
Like ipon-ipon
tama.
tayo
Kahit
lahat.
nerf na lang, nerf
Give
gun na
them
lang.
everyone. Hindi, fuck nerf, bro. Mas masarap yung feeling ng gel gun. Okay. Maratrat eh. And then, hindi mo na kailangan pulutin pa.
Taka na.
Yeah, bro. Ayaw mo totoong
Sa
baril,
barangay
no?
namin eh. Sa aming barangay, pellet gun talaga eh. Tapos yung granada namin, Piccolo.
Putang inang yan. What the fuck? Narado na yung Piccolo.
Yeah, punta ka na. Nagbato ka ng Piccolo doon sa likod ng stage. Punta ka na echo chamber doon. Yung sa mabog. Suko sila. Yung mga nagtatago sa likod ng stage. Suko sila labas. It's like, oh! Suko na kami!
Gago, sinel shock mo rin sila eh. King enang yan. Other than that, I guess, yeah, that was a pretty banging New Year, I guess.
Sana all bangin na New Year.
Banging New Year. I guess let's just move on quickly for our plans this 2026, guys. Like,
Plan.
or nasuko na tayo, 2027 na lang. Bawi na lang tayo sa 2027.
Yeah.
Tama.
I guess this 2026, are we gonna lock in?
Hopefully.
We
yes.
have to.
Are we gonna
have
fucking
to.
lock
We're
in?
dying.
Are we gonna fucking lock in? Alright, okay, ito. 1M subs this 2026 for Pinoy's Plays. Are we fucking doing it?
Sana, okay. Hopefully.
Come on, bro.
Manifest,
Wala,
manifest.
hindi
Ay,
tama
mali,
ako.
mali. Yes!
Yes!
We will
yes!
do it!
Oh my God, let's go!
Guys, it's Year of the Horse. High octane year
Ay,
to.
puta,
We gotta
yeah.
fucking, you gotta umapyoy this shit. You know what I mean?
Mag-i-start na rin
1M
ako ng
subs!
umamusam eh.
Ano yung sub?
They
One
believe to
subs,
that
Pinoy's
shit.
Place.
Maybe that's
I think-
the
I think
problem, bro.
kaya.
Maybe that's the problem.
What?
You gotta stop believing
Because
that
we
shit.
don't
yeah.
believe it. Yeah, man. Tangina. Alam mo yung mga
Stop
ibang YouTubers
believing and
na,
just do it.
Like, gusto nila mag 1M subs. Lagi nilang sinasabi, mag 1M subs ako. And then they do it. Tayo, never natin ginawa yun, okay? Never. Ngayon lang natin na-mention na gusto natin mag 1M subs.
It's fucking true, bro.
Might as well.
We never
We should.
really,
Honestly, I think we should aim for 1M subs. You know, just out of spite. Out of spite, mag 1M subs kami. Okay,
Tama.
this 2026.
26.
Okay. Tama.
Tama.
100k
Tingnan nyo.
subs.
Ilang kulang natin?
On
For
Pinoy.
400, 500? Tingnan mo, dalawang araw lang gago, legit. Dalawang araw lang magwa 1M subs tayo. Kasi wala muna tayong sweldo, you know? Wala muna tayong revenue.
Inang, inang,
Ay, putang ina nga.
Wait, alam ko yan ah.
Bumili ng bot ang puta.
Bibili ng bot.
Putang inang hayop na yun. Pinoy's Podcast. Kaya ba 100k subs?
Tama.
Ayan.
Kaya.
Hindi na pa tayo.
Kaya yan,
Pinoy's
2 days na
Podcast is currently at... What the fuck? 72k subs? 30k
Kaya.
subs na lang.
Kaya.
Kaya. 100k subs.
Kaya,
100k
tama.
subs. Pinoy's Podcast. Pinoy's Reacts. Habol kaya itong Reacts. Tingnan natin.
Oh, 33k na ata yan.
Yung channel ko.
40k.
Sana.
40k actually. Holy shit.
40K? Yeah,
ang
bro.
Pinoy's Reacts. Questionable. Pero tingnan natin. You know, okay, like, if like by November, nasa 80k subs na tayo sa Pinoy's Reacts, feeling ko kaya natin i-push yung 100k. Ayun po, kinang ina. Ano pa ba? Si Ken, kaya
Ay,
ba?
Kaya, hopefully.
Anong goal mo? What's your sub goal? What's
At
your sub goal, bro?
50k, okay, this month. Oh, ay, 100k na! 100k na,
50K
boss!
this month, bro. That's
Aim
crazy,
high.
Aim high, bro.
Aim high, bro. Okay, you gotta finish na. Okay, physical to
Kaya
Asia.
yan, this
Okay.
month,
20K
sabi mo,
na
diba?
ako.
Bukas agad, 50k.
Wait, yo.
50k subs. Okay, Neil, any goals this 2026?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala na, nakuha na niya lahat.
Kala ko may
Pagawa
goals
na
ka,
pala
boy.
niya.
Kala ko
Pagawa
tunong
na
taon na
pala
ano
niya
eh.
eh.
Magkakaanak ka, boy.
Congrats, Eyeball.
No expectations, bro.
Hindi pa ba?
Oh,
Congrats
bigla
na
na lang,
eyeballs.
boom! Alam mo yun, blessing ka. Ganun na lang bigla. Ano?
Blessing ka sa ngayong taon.
Isa kang aksidente ka.
Langyari.
Ano po ba ako pinanganak? Ano ginawa?
Valentine's yun eh.
Hindi ba yun? Pwede naman. Pagka kasi magpaputok sa loob.
Eh, yo.
Na.
Chris, how about you? Like, any
Yan,
goals
si Chris.
for this
Ang
Chris
magiging
daw,
ama.
si Chris daw
Ah,
eh.
si Chris.
Si Chris daw ang unang magiging ama
year,
eh.
bro? What's going on, man? Like,
Oh, magiging awa.
About to get that, bro.
Sa ganitong ekonomiya? Tanga ka ba?
Siyempre,
in
ulitin
this
natin.
economy?
Boom!
Oh,
Aksidente ka.
shit.
Ganun, di ba?
Oh, si Gloco.
Si Gloco,
Sa
no?
UK, maganda.
Na-
Health plan doon, maganda.
Mahirap
Oo.
magano dito sa ano, okay.
Gago.
Pinag-usapan na namin to ni Deng Cher. Okay.
Pupunta na kasi naman dyan sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Magda-lock in kami this
Wait, what?
Wait,
What?
question.
The fuck,
What?
Neil? What is wrong with you, bro?
Whoa. Iba
Nagawa
naman
kami
sinasabi
channel,
nito eh.
gago.
Deng siya ni
Nagawa kami
Gloco.
Gian, I have a question,
The
bro.
Deng channel, bro. Oh, wait, what's wrong? What's wrong?
If ever magkakaanak kayo ni Deng Chan yun, what's the citizenship nun?
Ano? UK.
Ay, wala, pero Pwede siya makakuha ng
Gonna be-
Philippines visa.
Yeah, fuck the Philippine
I think,
Philippine passport.
Ba't gusto mo
Okay,
mag-Philippine passport?
Dual citizen.
Bobo!
Dual
Walang
citizen
dual
yung sinasabi
citizen
ko.
na!
Kung ina nyo.
Bakit ka
Pwede
mag-dual
mag-dual
citizen?
citizen.
Pwede, pero wag
alam mo,
na.
like, you know what's cool?
What?
Like, sila Deng Chan tapos yung ano niya, yung kapatid niya, they have like this super duper awesome privilege na hindi na nakukuha ngayon,
Oh.
which is certifying that they are a recognized Filipino citizen.
Oh.
So nowadays, pag naging British citizen ka as a Pinoy,
Ano mangyari?
ngayon, or if you were born right now sa panahon ngayon, British citizen ka. Pero, iba yung application para maging dual citizen. At pag dual citizen ka, iba rin yung parang privilege mo when going back to the Philippines. Parang may limit ka pa rin. Like, you can only stay for like 90 days or ganito, ganyan sa Pinas. Kahit dual citizen ka. Kasi pag yan, mawawala yung British citizenship mo. For some reason, I don't know kung ano yung naabutan nila Deng Chan, but si Deng Chan, she can literally go back to the Philippines and just stay as long as she wants. Kasi hindi siya dual citizen. She is a recognized Filipino citizen. Yun yung certificate na pinapakita niya sa immigration. So, ngayon, wala na yun. Which is fucking cool.
Kaya,
You know,
Dude.
ito pa nga isang fucked up.
I don't know kung ano
If you wanna be a Singaporean citizen, like you have a Singapore passport, you must relinquish of you becoming Filipino.
Dude, say no more.
Say no more.
Take it. Like,
Tapos pag
Yung
may bisita
may
kayo,
natin,
yung 90 days na rule, yeah, that applies now.
Oo.
Because you're a Singaporean citizen.
Okay
But
lang.
before you become a Singaporean citizen, you need to be at least working there for about many years, and then like para may babayaran ka, like you're gonna accumulate this kind of amounts of money to like become a
Yeah.
Singaporean citizen.
It's gonna take a while though.
Would
Ito nga, may
I?
bagong may
Would
may
I?
bagong shit na nga dito sa UK. Like, I don't know if na-pass na sa Congress nila, but instead of 5 years, yung i-grind mo, 10 years, pag normal visa lang yung gamit mo dito
I don't
UK.
think you call it the Congress. I think it's Parliament.
Parliament, yeah, whatever, kung ano yan. But yeah, luckily, like, I'm, I almost like did something. Never mind. May
Whoa.
Luckily, yung visa ko is a certain visa, which is 5 years pa rin. So, good stuff. Anyways, sino pa hindi ko natanong? John, any goals for this fucking year?
Huwag mamatay ako.
Puta. With a
Survive.
fucking straight face,
Good
bro.
goal. Good goal.
With ang iwi face, bro.
With a straight face, bro.
Same, bro. You know what? Same, man.
Ah, man.
Same.
Good job,
Okay, good. Nice. Ayun. I guess let's lock the fuck in this 2026, guys.
Ama.
All right. Do you know who else is gonna fucking lock in this 2026?
Our Patreons! Let's go!
Fucking exactly. Look at those guys. They've been locked in since 2020s, bro. Ang galing.
Padre,
Lapas ako.
bro.
Lalo na to. Putang ina, pre-COVID pa lang, nakalock in na tong hype na to. Look at that. Damn, amazing. Thank you so much to our
Thank you guys so much.
motherfucking super awesome, super kaduper Patreons. Kayo ang New Year's resolution namin. Ayun, thank you so much for the support, our dear Patreons, and we wish na sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung support kahit wala ka pa kaming nabibigay na pabalik. And also, of course,
you, guys.
our dear viewers and listeners of our podcast. Again, our goal for this podcast is 100k subs this freaking year. Kaya naman siguro. And in return, since we're locking in, weekly podcast na ba to?
Yes.
We'll do it. Okay. Ako, literally, I'm not going anywhere anymore. Like, wala akong travel plans this fucking year. Sabi namin ni Daniel, we're gonna lock in ngayong 2026. So, wala na akong excuse na hindi ako makaka-record ng ganito or ganyan. I'm just gonna be here, bro.
Damn.
We're gonna lock in, bro. We're gonna lock in. Yeah, bro. Sheesh. Anything else you guys want to say before we go?
Thank you. Putang ina ng energy na tumata.
These guys are fucking cooked now.
Okay, guys.
Just na kasi eh. Bye guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Cheers to us to another awesome fucking year, and hopefully this will be the year of all years. Okay.
Ama.
To those who come after.